You know what? Let's start. Hi everyone. My name is Ben.
I'm Avery.
This is Avery. And tonight we're gonna code a bit in Reason. This new syntax for OCaml that Facebook is working on. And yeah, the idea is we'll be able to make this game right here that will work as like an executable like this using OpenGL to render, and we'll explain everything. And then it should run in your browser if I compile it to JavaScript and then run like a static server. I can go to here, and there we go. So that's the game, same game. If it's low frame rate, is because I'm recording from this laptop. It's a MacBook Air that's like 4 years old now. So it's actually 5 years old. So yeah, just trying. No excuses, but you know, is he not flapping his wings? Anyway.
Maybe an old version.
Yeah, it's possible. It's very possible. So yeah.
Okay.
How do we start?
So we're going to use a library that we wrote called reprocessing, if you want to go to that. And so basically this gives you an easy to use an easy to, write way to do graphics in Reason and compile to native and web. And so the reason we need a server for the web version is because it's serving images.
Yeah.
And so maybe Safari would work. But,
images and font files.
Yeah, so it's pulling some files and images off of the server.
Yeah, but otherwise it's all running on the client.
Yeah.
So yeah, here's what reprocessing looks like. If you're not familiar with Reason,
then let us know and we'll explain things.
Elevator pitch, Reason is just in syntax on this existent language called OCaml. It's also better tools. And so here's the latest iteration on the syntax. Is kind of looks like JavaScript. The little tilde here is just named arguments. But everything else should be pretty familiar. So
the way that reprocessing wants you to build an app is you're gonna try and open it.
Yeah.
The way that reprocessing wants you to build an app is that you have a setup function and a draw function and a state type. And so your setup function is gonna return a state type, and your draw function is gonna get that state and return a new state. And basically
it does work.
Okay, so it does work in this case at least. That should prevent you from having to do any mutation or stuff to maintain your state across frames. It's going to call draw once per frame. It's going to call setup when the game starts. Env is some holder for some sort of state that GL and stuff like that cares about.
Yeah, lowercase env.
Yeah, the env that gets passed into your functions. That lets you do some imperative calls that will change the size of the window or draw a rectangle or something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like here you can see it's the idea is that's simple. It's also imperative, but it has some nice advantages. So here you can draw a rectangle by simply saying draw.rect and the position and the width and height. We actually have this exact demo here, so I should be able to just oh shit, I don't have an index. Copy Bird index x.html. We might be missing other things too, but anyway, here, let me run it. I think I've already built it. Blink, blink, blink. Why is there no rectangle in it? Okay, building real quick. This is building everything from scratch on my old laptop, so it's pretty slow. Okay, here we go. This is basically the same example. Yeah. Different colors.
So anyway, so this is a repo called reprocessing example, and so that we're gonna just be starting from that. There's basically nothing in there. There's like a BS config and like what 10 lines of code. So if you want to write something in reprocessing, then it's probably not a best place to start.
Yeah. Just clone it and then pm install, and you should be ready to go. You can just run like npm run build, something like that, and that'll build. Oh yeah, missing script to build. Never mind, don't run that. Still working on it. Okay, so we're gonna build Flappy Bird.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Let's just do it. Whoop, wrong one. Okay, opening the editor, index.re.
Okay, so here's the code.
Yeah. Should we hook up hot reloading?
Sure.
Does it matter?
At this point, we're going to be changing the state a lot, so probably not worth doing.
Okay.
Until later.
So I think the plan's going to be that we'll start with just drawing rectangles everywhere, and we'll get the game logic going. So you're going to have a bird that's going to go down with gravity. So it's going to be that physics, and then space is going to make you jump. And we'll start with that. Then we'll add the pipes, and then a score, and then that'll be most of the game, and then we'll add the assets later and the animations if we have time. Cool.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. He's gonna tell me what to do, and I'm just gonna write it because we already wrote it, but he did all that work. So
yeah, we'll see how much I remember. Anyway, so it seems like we've got a background color already. We can just stick with that, and then the fill color of that's gonna define what color the bird is, I guess, for now. And I guess that rectangle can be our bird. If you want, you can make some. You're gonna put it in Watcher.
Oh, I guess I could.
Yeah.
Here. So now it's just running the build system. Every time I save it, it rebuilds.
Yeah.
So I can make the bird smaller. Sure. I don't know what the optimal size of bird is.
It doesn't really matter right now. We can just do the gravity and then.
Okay. So we need a bit of state, right?
Yep.
Okay. So right now we don't have any state.
So we probably want the bird's Y position at the very least.
Okay. So let's make it. Let's call it state T. We'll make it a record.
Yeah.
Because we know it's going to evolve. Bird Y.
Yeah.
It's a what? Int or float?
Int.
Is int fine?
Yeah, do int.
Int. Okay, cool. So that should complain. Well, actually, no, it won't complain because it doesn't know to use it yet.
Yeah, because we don't. Right now, state is unit. Right?
Yeah. So setup returns the initial state, and that's how the type checker knows like what's the shape of your state. So right now we're returning units, so like it doesn't know to use that state here. So let's do.
I don't know about float, by the way. We might change it to float later.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see how it is. So save. Bam, it's going to complain. The reason it complains is because we're not returning the state here. I think. Yep, it compiles.
So.
Here, let me see if I can kill.
I really want to actually draw it.
Let me just kill some web apps.
Kill that.
Yeah.
I'll have it.
You'll have it? Okay.
I think people will talk to us on the stream.
Yeah, okay, because my computer is old. It's kind of dying right now. I'm just going to quit everything, which I should have done. Do you think I can kill just Safari? Yeah. This is like asking a lot of it. I wonder if this stream's like lagging too. Okay. Like all of a sudden my computer is like gaining 10 gigs of RAM from just closing Discord. Great. Okay. Let's just run it. Perfect.
Okay, it's a
that
reasonable size.
50-50. Yeah, that's fine, right?
Yeah.
Whatever.
We're not drawing it at its position though.
We're not, right? Okay, so X is going to be a thing.
Yeah, so just hard code X somewhere in the as a variable.
Okay. Bird X.
It's nice to just do that for all these values.
Yeah.
Because then it makes it easier to tweak them later.
So here, state is a record, state.bird Y. Okay.
Okay. Apparently the stream isn't lagging, so that's good.
Cool.
Yeah, nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so now we're drawing that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's fine.
Yeah.
So now every frame. So now we want a value of gravity
Yep.
or something like
Okay.
that.
So let's
Probably a bird.
let's guess a value.
Bird Vy.
The velocity. Okay. Oh, in the state.
That's going to be in the state.
Let's do it. Bird V Y.
Sure. Y velocity. That should be
Sure.
a float.
Ah.
So probably we should make
Just
both floats.
do all floats. Okay, let's do it.
We might need to do some fiddling later.
Okay, now it's gonna complain. It's fine. So luckily, reprocessing exposes rect F, which
Don't just float it. Just in a float it.
why? No, I might as well just float everything. YOLO, as they say.
Sure.
There we go. No more errors. Come on.
You're missing bird Vy in your record.
Am I dumb? Oh, that's what it's complaining about. Yeah, I'm not even reading the errors. Bird VY. That's the Y.
Zero.
Yeah. Okay. Bam.
Okay, so this will do nothing because we didn't hook it up to anything.
Yeah.
And so every
frame we want to return a new state now, right? So let's just do ... state.
Yeah.
And then do
and then
bird Y is bird Y plus. Let's do the classic.
Sure.
Bird Y. Bird VY. Oh wait, is that right? Yeah. Do I just add them? Wait, are we allowed to? Oh, you're checking. Okay, this builds.
Okay.
We have the. Oh, there's a way to get
the.
the.
Don't worry, I'm not checking the Flappy Bird code. I'm checking processing docs.
Yeah, we're not cheating. Nice docs that you have here. Anyway, okay.
Yeah. So what we want to do is actually do plus bird Vy times the time of the frame, right?
Right.
So
we want the physics to be like consistent, even though
if the
some
frame
frames
is a little longer,
shorter or longer. Yeah.
So you can get that by doing capital E env dot delta time.
Delta time. Yeah, and it takes env.
Yeah,
and
the old syntax.
Yep, that is the old syntax indeed. It compiles. Okay, so now it should fall.
And so you actually also want
update the velocity.
Update the velocity because right now it's not going to do anything.
Either. Yeah. So velocity gets updated with the gravity, right?
Yeah, it's just gravity times delta time as well.
Times gravity.
But
plus gravity
plus gravity times delta.
Gravity times that.
Same thing, basically.
Yeah. YOLO.
Yeah, we did physics or something.
Yeah. Okay. Warning. All the fields are explicitly listed. Yeah.
It's okay. We'll add more later.
Yeah. No worries. Okay, this compiles. Let's see if it runs. Okay.
So
it's slowly falling.
Totally falling.
And accelerating. Nice.
Which is awesome.
Yeah.
We want to increase gravity a little.
Yeah. Double it.
Yeah.
Why is this so slow?
To start.
Yeah. Wait, are we doing this? Oh, the frame rate might be super low. Right? Because
yeah, maybe
it takes forever for every frame.
Yeah. Anyway, we can whatever. We can fiddle with it. Let me just make sure I'm actually on the thing in case anybody says anything.
Oh yeah.
But
checking the comments. Okay, now we have a bird. Let's handle events, maybe.
Yeah, we want to be able to jump.
Yeah. Okay. How does event handling work in reprocessing?
So there's two ways you can do it. You can do it using callbacks, basically. So it can call a function every time you press a key or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
The easier way to do it, which I'm going to make us do now, is calling env.key pressed.
Okay.
And then you give it a key. So in this case, like space.
And dot space?
Just space. It's a variant, so
space.
Should work.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then what?
And then the env.
And then the end. Oh, and then the end. Okay. Key pressed.
And
cool.
We'll see if that works. And so that should give a boolean back.
Yeah.
And so
if space is pressed, then what?
So let's put this if actually in the VY.
Okay.
where we're setting Vy.
Vy here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And so do an if there,
Else.
else that.
So else that. If this,
then minus 10 or something.
minus 10. Oh, minus 10. Uh-huh. Let's try it. Does it build? I guess it does. Let's see. Goes down, space. Down, space. Space. Jesus, that's
The
just...
scale is ridiculous. I'm not sure what's up with that.
Yeah, what is up with that?
Gravity is very strong, so 10 will basically do nothing.
Right, it gets squished.
Yeah.
Why is gravity so strong?
Why does it need to be so strong?
Yeah, I think it's just because we have crazy low... I don't know.
Yeah,
Anyway,
well,
let's
we'll
just
try it
play
on
with
someone else's machine later.
Let's do 100. Let's see. Ah, that's better.
That's maybe a bit much.
It's just super slow. Right? Yeah, 100 is definitely too much. Okay, 50. Hopefully recompile. Yeah. Cool.
Okay, for now it's going to just be a very easy game.
Yeah. We don't need it to be hard.
No.
Who wants it to be hard? That's really weird.
Yeah, well, maybe somebody will point out that we're doing something really dumb later, but
yeah,
for now
please
it
do.
works.
Uh-huh.
So now we have a bird that's jumping up and down, more or less.
Yeah.
It's kind of real derpy, but it's like floating up.
Good job.
And so now we want to do some pipes, I guess.
Pipes?
It's like the next big thing.
Oh, okay. Okay. So we want to generate like a couple of pipes that are going to be off screen a little bit.
Yeah.
And then as they slide in, they kind of go back to the end.
Mm-hmm.
So there's constantly pipes that you can jump through.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
so we're probably going to want to add a list of pipes to our
pipes
state.
List of pipes. What? How do you want to represent pipes?
So I think basically all we need is like an X to know where they are this way on the screen, and then a Y to know where the gap in the pipe is.
Okay. So then once we have the gap, we can go like plus or minus. Actually,
yeah, well, it'll be like a constant gap size, so we'll know how to draw the pipes.
Cool.
Based on that.
So an X and a Y.
List of tuples or something. That doesn't matter.
Let's do it. Floats because I'll be easier probably.
Sure. Yeah, we can always interfloat them.
Yeah, sure. Okay, pipes. Do we start with any pipes? Yeah, right? We start with a set of... So let's just hard code a bunch of pipes.
Hard code some pipes.
Okay, so let's start... the bird starts at 50.
50.
So let's add one at like 200. Float. 200 and then...
what, like 100? I don't know. Just put some numbers.
Yeah. And then let's just do 400 something, and then 600.
Yeah.
300. Okay, 4 pipes. Cool. So now nothing happens because we're not drawing them. Okay. So now what?
Now we draw them. So like you can make maybe iter over them.
We should hook up a hot reloading.
Sure.
We could probably do it now, right?
Yeah.
Index hot.re. How does it work? Reprocessing dot hot.
I see the green light.
Reload.
Can
you tell me?
One word, all lowercase.
Like this?
Small
hot reload.
Yeah,
and then source.index.re.
That's right.
Sick.
And then you probably want to change BSB to build that.
Probably want the new syntax. Yeah. So, okay. So this is how you hook up hot reloading live. You go here and you do index hot. And then you build this guy. Hopefully it works. And then you run it. Whoops. Sorry. libbs index hot. Bam. Okay, so this is our little playground here. So now if I save, crap, the thing is going to continuously
we should
fall.
probably make a floor. Okay, before we draw the pipes, let's make a floor.
Oh, yeah. So the
And so
floor is going to be
basically-
another if here, right?
Yeah, so we can use another. You don't actually need an if.
Oh.
You can do
Oh.
constrain. You can do utils.
Utils.
So reprocessor has a bunch of utils that come in handy sometimes.
Constrain.
I think it's constrain.
Okay.
You can go to our MLI file. There's docs.
Oh yeah. I should be able to go from utils. That doesn't search node modules. Okay, let's see. Node modules, reprocessing, source, reprocessing.
Hopefully one day we get a nice docs generator that works with
REI.
BSP.
Yeah.
Look, there's constraint right there.
Constrain. God.
Constraint.
Okay.
So
Amount, low, high.
Yeah, so it'll make sure that it'll clamp it between those two values.
So amount is this.
Yeah.
Low
Is gonna be
0.
sure.
No, it's bird height, right?
Do we only want the bottom? Because then it's just a min. We can just do min.
The bottom is a
Do-
max, right? Because it's inverted axis.
Right, but we want the min of the value and the bottom.
We want the min of the
Yeah.
value in the bottom. Yeah.
So we can actually just use min because we want to be able to fly over the top maybe.
No, we can prevent it.
Okay.
Let's just do.
Okay.
Let's just and then
Sure.
and then floor y. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So you can set a floor y.
So let's put it at 400. Save.
You could have also made that. You're gonna have to restart it
Why?
because. Well, no, yeah. It should
No, I
be
think
the
this
same.
just it doesn't like this.
You're not. It might want.
What did I pass?
You're
Oh.
not giving any named arguments, but that's probably okay. Are they all the same type?
Is this reformat?
Yeah, they are.
Float. Let's see if we rebuild and get a better error. Oh, well, this kind of says it. Wait, no, that doesn't make sense.
Type error.
This is
But somewhere wanted float. Are we not fully applying it?
It's 20 hours.
Shh. Why is there any sound? Constrain. Utils constrain.
Yeah, I always wish we had an editor that could like grab and slide the constants.
This is. Why is that the type?
That seems wrong.
Yeah.
Amount is a float of float to float.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely something weird there. Let's just use min.
Okay. Just utils on min? Oh no, just min.
Yeah, min should just work. Yeah. Except you might want to remove
You
0.
want. Yeah. Does that work? Okay.
Let's hope. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Weird.
Rerun it.
Yeah. Okay. So that should fall slowly, and then. Boop. Okay.
Okay, great. So we can't see the floor,
It
but
wants amount to be a function.
we believe it's there.
Thanks, Jared. That's super weird. But look, if you look at the type of amount, it's just like prime A.
Yeah.
It seems like we just did something weird. We might
Yeah.
have forgotten an argument.
I don't know.
I don't
I'll
know.
figure it out later.
Yeah.
I should make a note of it somewhere. I'll make a note.
Yeah.
'Cause that's weird.
Here, let me just make this a bit bigger.
Constraint.
Oh, I just want to brag about heart reloading. Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh, look at it. I can just.
Can we draw the floor?
Yeah. Let's draw the floor. Draw rect. Here, let's rect F. Bam. Totally
And then
amazing.
pause is gonna be
So X is 0.
yeah, and then
Y
floor
is floor Y. And then width is going to be
env dot width,
env dot width.
I believe. Screen width, right?
Oh, width?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Give it an env.
Yep.
And then height,
Is floor y.
floor Y? No, floor oh, good call.
No, it isn't, right? It's
It's,
width minus floor y.
no, height. Height minus, yeah, but definitely
Yeah,
what you
right.
said. Height,
It's
save.
conceivable that height and width are
Okay, what's the problem?
integers?
Oh, rect f. My bad.
No, but
those-
are both ints.
Okay. How does this work? Int of float. Hell yeah. Whoops. Probably want that part.
You want float of int, not int of float.
Oh. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, and then this goes outside.
Yeah.
There we go. It's missing an argument.
Env.
Env.
Yeah, easy to forget that one.
Bam. Floor
Okay.
is there. Okay, it's a little bit. The bird is a little bit.
The same color as the floor.
Yeah. Here, let's give it a bird width. Bird height.
What is bird height?
Just the height of the bird, so we can move it up. It should be on the.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Sure.
Well, because it's a square right now. I
Yeah.
guess it doesn't matter. Here, height here, and then here it's.
Well, the height and the width will be the same. Just put them both.
Yeah, there we go. Don't you love how it just here, let's draw the floor a nice a greener thing.
That's good. Just leave it at that.
Okay.
Don't spend too much time.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna tweak the green. Okay. There we go. That's a nice green.
Zach asked what editor has a plugin for numeric value sliders.
Ah, yeah, you wish.
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
Rhetorical question, I think. Write one. In Reason.
Yeah, write an editor. No, don't write an editor.
Please don't.
Please don't. Okay. Now what?
Okay, so we can jump now, very sort of weirdly, floatily.
Yeah.
So let's
Here, let me try Flappy Bird again, because
let's see if it's also floaty.
yeah, if Flappy Bird is floaty, then you know it's whoa. Oh, because it's just build it to JS. Derp. Build it to bytecode, please. I wish we could see. Okay, here we go. Let's see. No, Flappy Bird is fine.
We should be able to get it better. Yeah. Okay. We'll figure that out when we get to it.
But the curve of his orientation makes it way nicer. Anyway. Cool.
Yeah.
Now, draw the pipes. Draw the pipes.
Yeah. So that's what we were doing before.
Yeah. So, pipes is a list.
Apparently, Atom and VS Code have plugins for that.
Ooh. Damn.
Okay, so yeah, list iter.
Let's iter over the list. Get the pipe, and then do a thing over pipes.
State pipes.
Nope.
Okay. Okay. Well, for now it's just a rectangle. I mean, we're gonna draw two rectangles for every pipe. The top one and the bottom one.
Yeah. Okay. Or just draw. Okay, let's do it. Two rectangles.
And so the top one, if we think about it.
So pipe is just an X and a Y.
Yeah.
So the top one is gonna start at X minus pipe width.
Yeah, let's make some constants like that.
Yeah. And okay, let's go. Let's see. Bird height.
Actually, let's have it not be at X minus pipe width. Let's just have it be at X, and then pipe width is.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, instead of centered.
We could try multiplying everything by 10.
I think the Slanister numbers are so low. Okay. Well, yeah, we can try. We can try. We can try right now. Let's here.
Kill that.
Save. Can I jump? Yeah, sure. Okay. So gravity.
Just make everything in the hundreds.
Okay, 100, and then
times 10. But yeah.
that's okay. No. 200?
Yeah, just see what it does. Okay, so it jumps faster.
Yeah, gravity is just like too low. Gravity is not pulling hard enough. What's going on? Is this right? Are you sure you're supposed to multiply gravity by delta time? Yeah.
It makes sense, right?
It's just This isn't so bad.
It's definitely better. Can you increase gravity more?
Yeah, of course I can. Look, bam, did it. See, it's not making
It's
it
okay.
fall
That's
faster.
good. That's good. It's good. Is it not making it fall faster? It should. It is making it fall faster.
Yeah, I guess so.
This is definitely better.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Um,
Thanks. Nice suggestion, Mohammed.
yeah. When in doubt, just make everything bigger.
Yeah, that's how I could.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm just guessing for that.
Yeah.
And so for here,
So
kill
just
that,
X.
and then Y is going to be 0. That's the top pipe.
Yeah.
0. Yeah, always more gravity. Always bank on more gravity. Width is going to be fucking pipe width, and then height is going to be
So it's going to
X.
be.
Sorry.
So we also need a
Gap.
size for gap.
Half gap.
Half cap. Yeah. Gap radius.
Gap radius.
Yeah. Half cap is nice.
Half cap is nicer. Yeah. Half gap radius. Yeah.
Don't do half cap radius.
What? Oh, just half gap?
Well, because the radius would be the half.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're smart. See, this is why he's here. No other reason.
Okay. Okay. Seems good.
Seems good.
Did you save?
No, I'm too scared.
Good. Okay, so they're there.
Bam.
See?
We're done.
Never be scared to save.
Okay.
Okay, so next one.
Yeah.
So this one's position is gonna be
X2.
Y. Yeah, X is the same, and then Y plus half cap. Because we want to draw it under the cap.
Yes.
Drawing from the top left corner.
Yep. Y plus half gap, and then width is pipe width, and then height is just height of the screen.
No.
No.
Height
Height minus Y minus half gap. Does that matter? We can
It doesn't really matter because it'll fall off the screen.
Yeah.
It'll fall off the bottom of the
So
screen.
we could actually
draw
do that.
Draw it under the floor. So there it is. We probably want to make that gap bigger. It's going to be awfully hard.
Okay. Here, let me make the bird a little smaller. Where's the bird?
Bird
Here, let's.
height.
Yeah.
Can you call it bird
Bird's
size?
radius. What about bird half gap?
Bird size.
Bird size. Okay, let's
25,
20,
30
30 is fine.
40.
40. 40 is
pretty
fine.
good.
Yeah, half gap still kind of small, right?
Well, if
70.
you're bad.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay, so now it's still hard to jump through them.
Yeah, because they're not moving. So actually, I should be able to like resize, and yeah, see all of them.
Yeah. You want to give me that for media control?
Yeah. Here, you can media control. The problem is you're also controlling the code, so that doesn't help that much.
I don't think any of this is relevant.
No,
It's just tweets.
not relevant. What about the last one?
I mean, they're about this, but not.
Oh, they're not. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Anybody who wants questions answered can message me.
Oh, someone had asked a question earlier.
They asked about the stack.
Yeah, exactly.
What stack is it on?
Rainier. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Let's get it scrolling, and then I can explain.
Okay.
So that at least we have something.
So people can be entertained.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can like try to play it well.
Well, yeah.
So basically, every frame we want to move them a bit.
So we want to track some sort of X position, right?
So yeah, do you want to do it like that and just have an offset that we draw them at?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay,
Whatever you
let's
think is
try that.
easiest. Okay.
Whatever.
So there's just a general X offset,
Yeah.
and that's gonna be that's gonna make it float. Save. Doesn't build, of course. X offsets is gonna be 0, I guess.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Okay, we're back.
And then,
Oh wait, let's kill this. Because
right.
if we update the state, hot reload breaks. That's a property of hot reload.
Yeah.
Not our
seg
problem.
fault.
I mean, yeah, in here it will seg fault. Who doesn't love their camel seg faulting?
But you can hook up a nice bash script to make it auto restart. I should
When
ship
it
that
does.
with
Yeah.
It's nice. I use that.
It's anyway.
It's like 2 lines.
Do I just increment it?
Increment it by a speed times delta time.
Speed times delta time. Okay. 3 times is the limit. I'm going to store a variable.
Yeah. I was about to ask.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cheap. I mean, it's not.
It does nothing,
It doesn't
right?
cost you anything to retrieve that. You can get it whenever you want.
Yeah. So
that's
actually,
true of a lot of them, but.
What did it do? X offset. Why isn't it reformatting? Oh, that's formatted. My bad.
Why is it? Is there a type error?
It's missing X offset from the state. So destructuring. So that guy should go away, and speed should be. Speed will be 10.
Yeah. Well, let's see.
Okay.
Is it started?
Is this build? Run.
So we're not drawing them at an offset, so we can't see it yet.
Right. Right.
So
we need to. The bird doesn't move. The pipes do move.
Yeah,
right?
where we do the pipes, the
We
X
just
has
add
to be
the X offset.
subtract the F side.
I
I think so.
Yeah.
Because they're moving to the left.
Okay.
Aha, so they're moving.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so good at this game.
Okay.
Maybe you want to.
You can answer his question while I try to play on this. It's just a matter of getting into the rhythm.
Increase the.
I can just look. I'm winning this game for the first time.
Anyway, so the stack is so reprocessing, which is this high level graphical library, is written on top of. I'll let you try and figure out collision. Is written on top of Reasonml native, Reasonml, which is composed of both Reasonml native and Reasonml web, which is basically just 2 implementations of the same interface, which expose basically GL, OpenGL ES on web and OpenGL. WebGL on web and OpenGL 2 or something. Ben, you wrote it.
Sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, I have no idea what you just said. What?
What version of?
OpenGL 2.1.
Yeah. Anyway, so that because they're the most similar, and so yeah, so actually reprocessing is almost entirely like agnostic of what platform it's running on because it's just using Reasonml, which takes care of that, which is nice. It's getting built using BSP native, which Ben's been working on. It's basically just a couple of commits on top of BSP normal.
For anyone who's not familiar with any of this, BSP is the build system for BuckleScript. BuckleScript is the transpiler from OCaml to JavaScript, and so I took BSP, the build system, and made it compile to native too, so it can kind of like target each platform.
Made it able to compile other things to native.
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah, so you have one BS config, and you define some entries in it, and it can build any of those to either native or to web or to bytecode. And so, what are you looking for?
I just wanted to show that this code that we've been writing that's been compiled to bytecode runs in the browser.
And hopefully it does.
Yeah, it does. Here, disable cross origin. There we go.
So yeah, we haven't cared about this at all, like over the course of writing this, and it's just working.
Yeah.
Which is awesome.
Yeah. So this is running in JavaScript and then rendering using WebGL. And so all of the code that you'll write when you make the game is just going to work like this, and you can share it easily.
Yeah, I remember I wrote the entire Flappy Bird basically, and forgot to try it on web, and then built it, and it just worked.
Yeah.
It's a nice feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's more or less what's going on there in terms of stack. Hot reloading is happening. It's a bit of a it's basically all it's doing is in the reprocessing draw loop. There's a loop, so that every frame it does some stuff, and so part of that stuff that it does is checks to see if the source file that you specify somewhere, then I'll pull it up, the source file that he specifies, it goes and checks, okay, did this file change? If yes, then rebuild it. And it just rebuilds it from there, from within reprocessing, and dynamically links it back into the program.
Yeah, so we're just leveraging, this is just normal native dynamic linking.
Yeah.
And like C has it and every
nothing too
language
special
has it.
there.
Yeah. But it happens to be super fast.
Yeah, and it really makes this sort of graphical development nice because you're tweaking the values.
And it happens that the way we set up reprocessing with this draw function that gets called every frame, it just really works well because like all that's happening basically is that the draw function gets replaced with another draw function.
Mm-hmm. And the fact that we manage state for you.
Yeah, and then reprocessing keeps track of your state, so every time it loads a new module, it's like, well, here's your state of like last tick.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what it would do if you had refs. Probably not play nice.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's designed so you don't need to do any refs.
Yeah, but anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of stack, but and every part of the stack is usable. Like you can use GL if you want, and that's fine too. Reprocessing is just on top.
Yeah, just make it a bit more accessible.
More fun.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Faster iteration.
I cannot imagine writing this in GL. Okay.
So it's a reasonable speed now. What is it running?
Oh, sure. It's totally running. Let's see. Which one is it? This guy?
Okay, so we could basically play a game with this, and so we want collision now, right?
Yeah.
So you can lose.
Yeah. So let's make a lose state. So let's make running a boolean. So this is true, and then like if you're not running, let's see.
Well, first let's have it possible to collide, and you can print or something when you collide, and then we'll make sure that works, and then
Okay.
and then we'll write the.
So here's the function. What? Oh. Huh. Right. Anyway, we'll take the warning. Yeah. Here.
So reprocessing has a number of utilities, and one of them is intersection between a couple of different simple shapes.
So rect or rect circle.
Rect, yeah. So we'll just use that. It's going to make it easy. This sort of thing comes up a lot, so we might still add more to that. Depending on what people run into or have problems with.
Mm-hmm.
These are the sort of things that like can be sort of annoying to write when you try to remember, like, okay, what are all the edge cases or something like that. So
position, rect, width, and height, circle position, circle radius.
So actually, we don't want rect circle in this case. We want rect.
What? Oh, well, Flappy Bird will be a circle.
Okay.
The bird will be.
Okay.
Oh, we can replace him with the circle right now.
Sure.
Where do we draw the bird? Is this the bird? No, this is the bird. Here, let's move it and draw bird.
Yeah.
Env, probably. State and env. Draw. Let's see if that hot reloads. This is experimental physics here.
It will.
Bam. Oh my god. Amazing. Circle. Ellipse.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Center, raid X, raid Y.
So they'll just do the same.
Circle, raid X, raid Y. Raid X.
So it's going to become twice as big.
Y. And what? Circle? Is that what it is? No.
Center.
Center. Jesus. Misread. Okay. Twice as big, indeed.
Yeah, because their radius is.
Bam. Solved. Oh, I fell too. Wow, that's kind of crazy. Here, let's bring it up a bit. And 40, safe, bam. Well, we won't answer any syntax question here.
Any chance?
We don't have time to.
Any chance Reasonml will drop the semicolons? So we'll leave that one for the people who know how to answer that question.
Yeah. Yeah. You can ask in bike shedding. The Discord channel. There's a Discord channel called bike shedding. Now what? Okay, intersect circle.
Yeah.
So we're intersecting. So we actually want to
So we want to do this
in a loop. We
for
wanna do
all
this.
pipes,
Yeah.
basically.
So for all pipes, ball list dot
Uh,
list dot.
exists. Because basically we want to know, is there an intersection, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then we'll print.
Yeah, we'll just let Jared handle the
Yeah.
semicolon
Jared, you're
section.
the best. There's a collision. Bam. Exists probably takes a function that's going to be a pipe to a boolean. That's going to be this, and then second arg is pipes. Pies. I love pies.
And so we're going to actually need to do this twice.
Twice.
So, yeah, it's going to be similar logic to where we draw it. Right. It's the same rects.
Sorry, for what?
We're going to need to do it for the top one and the bottom.
Right. We do it twice. It's gonna be and or. Okay. So how does this? Okay.
So it just takes a rect pause, rect width, and rect height.
So this is x y. So rect pause.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna use the argument names. Rect pause is
the same thing that we're drawing.
Is the same thing as this.
Yeah.
So that's the top one. Okay.
Rect width is pipe width.
Is this
Yeah.
and then this is this. Yeah. So it's like rect width or something.
It's rect W, I think.
Rect W.
Trying to keep it not too long.
Rect height. Yeah.
And then you got
And then
circle,
circle pause and circle rad. So circle.
I thought about
pause.
putting a intersect rect ellipse, but it's actually really hard. Apparently.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're telling me about this. So no ellipse collisions. Circle pause is bird X, right?
Yeah.
And then bird Y.
Yeah. And one of those is a constant, but that's fine. Yeah. So you can basically...
Yeah. That's that.
Yeah, so you can copy paste that one basically, and then we'll change the
other one. Or bam, and then it's this pause, right? And then the height. Let's see, where's this?
Yeah, I'll let you do that. Yeah, it's hot reloading while keeping state because reprocessing is handling the state for you. So it knows what your state was last frame, and then when it reloads and dynamically links in the new functions, it can just pass that state in. And so that works out nicely.
There's a collision. There's a collision.
Nice.
Does
it climb to the top one? You won't be able to get up there.
Yeah, let me hear a second. Collision.
Okay.
Collision.
Yeah, okay, it seems to work. I believe you.
Collision.
It's really obnoxious.
Okay.
Okay, well... Okay, do you want to make the game over screen?
Let's pause the game. Make the bird fall. Stops the scrolling.
Sure. So we want to basically set running to that exists.
Okay.
So we can just shadow it, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, kill that end bit there. Sublime is holding up well.
So this should just work? Is what you're telling me?
No, that won't do anything.
Yes. We want to stop moving the
we want to change
X offset.
Stop changing the X offset.
If running, do this. Oh, wait, turn rate. What am I thinking? God. Then what? X offset?
Yeah.
Does that actually work? Yeah. Yeah.
Why did you kill it?
Mm-hmm. What did I kill it? I don't know.
Oh, did it die? Wait, you said...
Oh, Not that. Exclamation mark? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Bam.
Yeah.
And it
And
stops.
it does. Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Great.
Undo, save. No, undo, save. And then it stops when it when it exits the pipe. That could be a whole little game.
Why does it stop when it exits?
Because now it's not colliding, so it stops. And then I say only stop when you're colliding, so it's like, okay, I'm colliding, I stop. And this just says continue when you're colliding, so it continues until it's
you
out.
keep deleting that. I see.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's.
Okay, you don't die when you hit the ground right now, probably.
No.
So that's another thing to check.
Another
also,
thing.
you can still jump.
Yeah. So we don't want to have him jump.
So that's a
Here, if running and this, I can't jump.
Yeah.
Cool.
Great. Okay.
Now what?
Um,
You want the game over screen?
I want to be able to restart it.
Oh yeah. So if dead and spacebar is pressed, we should.
Yeah. So
reset.
actually, yeah.
Here we can check later.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. Actually, don't do that. Well.
No, we actually don't want to do it in line, right?
Well, the thing is, if you die immediately when you hit something, right, and then spacebar restarts you, then you can be like tapping space, 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 and then hit something and hit space again, and it'll immediately restart you. Without, do we want that?
No. We want you to fall, and then
Okay, so we sort of need two.
we need another one.
states.
We need a like touch ground kind of thing. Touchdown.
Yeah, we make running a variant.
We could. We call it states.
Let's do that. Let's just do it.
How do we call it?
Just call it running.
Running, and then make it a variant. So, yeah.
Might as well, right? If it doesn't work, we change it back.
So running. Okay. Type. Running T. Running or stopped.
Well, there's two. There's it's working, and there's you've hit something but you haven't reached the ground yet. And then there's Jared is suggesting click to restart, but
yeah, we could do click to restart, but space is pretty nice, so you don't have to like know of anything.
and then game over or
dead and then
restart.
That's so confusing.
Naming, we'll iterate on the naming.
Running T. Okay.
Probably check not. That worked.
No, it can't compile because it can't compile
down
because
here.
of there.
Yeah, you're checking running. So,
If this, wait. Okay, so we have a little state machine here, right?
yeah.
If there's a collision, and there's a collision, and you are either running and you're not. Oh shit. Wait, no. Oh shit.
No, we just.
Yeah. If there's a collision and you're in either running or dead, we return dead.
Here, just set a Boolean variable for that, and then in when we update running, have a little switch that checks that.
Okay. Running. Okay.
So it switches on existing running or something.
Switch?
I don't know.
Sure. Let's do it. Let's see. What could it be? Running, dead, or restart.
And if you're running, then
okay, if you're running and when collided, is that the right thing?
Sure.
Then you dead.
Yeah.
Um,
If you're dead, then you're dead.
if you're dead, and when okay, if anything, you're dead. Wait, there's like if you're dead when hit floor, then restart.
Right.
If restarts when key pressed, blah, then running, and then
otherwise you're dead. Wait, if you're running and not collided, then you're still running.
Yeah. Then if you're running, you're running, right? Oh, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Actually,
otherwise maintain
S
your
to
state.
S. Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, now we need hit floor. Hit floor is simply bird Y is bigger than floor Y.
Sure. Probably plus bird height or something.
Plus, good call. Plus bird size.
Something along those lines.
Okay, so
that worked.
Oh, I can't restart.
We can't.
I don't know if it worked. Oh, let me try to survive a bit. Oh, jump doesn't work anymore.
Okay. Can you remove that?
Collided. Wait.
It's a not collided.
It's not collided. Oops, not collided. Right? If not collided, you want to change it to be using running?
Whatever.
No, that should be fine.
We do actually want to change it. Yeah. Anyway, that's good. Except we can't restart.
Let's draw the pigeon in front of the pipes.
The pigeon.
So we can see him.
Yeah.
Okay, what?
We want to restart your position. It's restarting and immediately colliding again, probably.
Oh, crap.
So,
which is bird X. Wait, no, it's offset. It's offset that we want to swap. Okay, let's just do another switch on running here, right? For offset.
Sure. Yeah.
No?
Hit floor has to be minus bird size, not plus. Jared says.
Minus? Oh, he's right.
That seems right, yeah.
Thanks. Good call.
You could make restarting another key other than space, like R.
We could, yeah.
And then we wouldn't have this problem.
What?
At all. Like we wouldn't need more than one state.
Oh, I don't know.
You want to do it like this or what?
It's easier if it's spacebar.
It's easier to play?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let's just figure it out.
Ben's being stubborn, so we can just...
Yeah. We're so close. Do you think I can do a switch here?
Sure.
But then I'm one frame off.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Okay, if it's running, it's this.
Hey, Jason.
Yo. If you're dead, then it's just offset.
See, then it's the same. It's actually the same. Dead, you want to still go forward and hit the ground.
Oh.
Right, so running and dead are actually the same for X offset. The only thing we want to stop is your ability to give input.
Right.
Yeah, Jared just said the same thing, I think.
Yeah. Dying scene. And then restart. Oops, kill this one. Restart is when you're in restart X offset. Oh, but
that's just 0 in that case. No, right, yeah, you're just saying.
Oh, here, let's just do this one. Same check here. Oops, kill this. This. So when it restarts, we want to restart X offset to be 0. Right?
Sure.
When it's restart and we pressed, oh, it's missing a case. My bad. Which is just
normal restart.
Yeah,
Which is
which
don't
is-
do anything.
yeah.
Which is just stay at X offset.
Why do I? Oh, that seems fine. Let's see. Bam. Restarts. Bam. Oh, what? If I'm pressing space while colliding, it doesn't.
Uh,
That's weird.
let's make that one use the actual. It's just when running. If
This one?
running and key press space.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, if running is running.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying that.
Yeah, it
fixes
works. That works.
That does fix it.
Yeah.
Nice.
See, when I touch it, I can't press space
Uh-huh.
until I fall on the floor, and then it restarts me.
Does he restart on the ground? Yeah, because you're not updating his Y.
Oh.
Bird Y.
Which has the same shitty.
Yeah, it could be that what we should be doing is inverting making a switch around the state rather than a bunch of switches for each thing of the state.
That is possible. Let's figure that one out and then do it.
Okay.
If it's running, do that. If you're dead, the Y, also do that.
Yeah, so same. So
Yeah.
Same case.
Running or dead or
and then the whole restart and thing. Regular restart is just
it's just
stay where you are. It's just bird Y.
which is just bird Y. Bird Y. Yeah. Stay where you are, and then this other one is then what's the original bird Y? 50. Yeah, let's just
Sure.
put it here. So now I hit it, can't jump, hit the floor, press space. Oh, velocity.
VY.
Okay, never mind. We're putting the switch around the state instead of for each. Oh my god. Okay. So most they're not exactly the same, right? Running and dead.
Just do running, dead, and restart, and we'll make it work.
Okay. Running. The state that you want when running is
Min, blah.
so state. So it's for bird Y, it's this thing. Okay. For bird VY, it's
If key pressed,
this. Yeah.
you can just do a ternary there too.
True. Here. Letting reformat have my back here.
Then
We'll reformat in a second.
X offset.
X offset is this thing, and then running is
Well, we're gonna have to do a check basically.
if collided,
just do collided.
question mark dead,
Otherwise running.
otherwise running. Yeah. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, I mean technically it's capital R running even. But yeah, same.
Sure.
It has to be that.
Yeah. Here, I'll be more explicit.
Okay, so that's one of them.
That's one of them. Okay, dead.
Let's just copy it for now. We can clean it up later if we need to.
Yeah. So dead is almost the same thing, except you can't press.
You can't. Yeah, it's just
this, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Just this. Whoops. And then X offset is also updating, and then running is waiting for hit floor. If hit floor restarts, otherwise dead.
This seems a lot easier to understand.
Way better. Oh my lord. And then
Just do
restart.
restart. Oh, this is much clearer.
Oh Jesus. Yeah. Okay, restart here. I think I can
So
kill this.
mostly it won't move.
Uh,
You have an extra close.
Bam. Reformat. Yeah. Okay. So restart. Bird Y doesn't change.
Yeah, so it's just so actually you don't need to include it.
True. Bird VY.
Also doesn't change.
Oh, it changes if you pressed key.
So we might want restart to have a big switcher. Like either it will return to state, or if you pressed, it will return a new state.
Oh, yeah. If you press space, then return this, right? Else, just state. Don't update it.
So that has well, we want to zero out vy.
So bird Y is going to be the default bird Y. Vy is 0. X offset 0. Running is running.
And later we're going to also need to update the pipes in there. Potentially, if we want to regenerate them new every time.
New pipes.
But we can do that later.
Yeah. Let's see. I hit a thing. I can't jump. I fall on the ground. I press space. I restart.
Seems pretty good.
Bam. Cool.
Awesome.
High five. Can we make him
Not fly above.
not cheat?
Well, we can't use constrain, but
We want to try again?
Let's just do a max and a min for now.
Okay. I can do min
I'll
first.
try and, it doesn't matter.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
Oh, well, that's magical. Max of this, and then bird size.
What about making x offset stop when it's dead? Original Flappy Bird stops panning in a collision. Huh.
Does
Okay.
it?
Sure.
Oh, you're right.
Let's make it do that. I think my version doesn't, but yeah, I think that's actually accurate.
Let's see how it
So
looks.
you can actually just not include that, but
Sorry?
you can just delete the.
The problem is the bird doesn't. Fall
Wait, does
nicely.
it? Does the bird also stop dead?
Okay, let's open Flappy Bird, guys. We're trying
No,
this.
well, let's just keep going,
Okay, fine.
and other people can tell us.
Yeah. You guys go play Flappy Bird for a little bit.
Tell us how it works.
Yeah. Here, I'm including it again. Okay, does this work? Okay,
Yeah, it still works.
cool. No, but you can't fly higher.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, but we don't want to increment either. The speed gets needs to be.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
The bird goes forward. Huh.
Yeah, and the scrolling stops.
Okay. Well, we'll
We have
figure
to
that out
special
later.
case it.
Yeah.
Like make the bird continue.
There's actually no bird X in the state right now.
Which makes
It wouldn't be that hard. I mean, we just now that we have this special case in these 3 sections, we just increment it, right? Do you want to just do it? Let's just do
okay.
it. So make X offset not increase,
Okay, and then what?
and then add a bird X
To the state.
to the state. We put it next to bird Y,
Okay.
and then set it to 50.
Bird X
Gonna remove that.
here.
Delete it.
No wait. I'm gonna do default bird X. It's gonna be better for restarting. Do we not have a
We
default
don't have
bird
a
Y?
default bird Y. Just copy, make it the same.
Okay.
Okay, so then go back down, and we want to draw it at bird X.
We want to
wanna
draw
the bird. So in
draw
draw
bird.
bird.
in draw bird.
So it's just
state
state
dot bird X.
And then if you go down, when you die, we freeze the X offset, so you can just delete that line. And then
Bird X.
bird X will increment by
Plus-
speed times delta time.
Yeah. So the same as the offset.
Yeah.
And then here we have to reset it. Bird X default bird x.
And then bird y. Okay, we'll see if this works.
Okay. Unbound value bird x. Fair enough. That is true. State.bird x. Actually kill it and then yeah. Destructuring, baby. Okay. Oh yeah.
That's pretty nice.
That's wow, yeah, that's like a step.
Oh, it's
It's
like,
like duh. Just got into an accident, like duh. Oh. And then
and then it restarts, right? Yeah. Awesome.
Oh.
Okay. Let's keep going.
Oh. Okay.
We should probably also cap. Can he go up after he hits something, or does it just go down? Anyway, we'll leave that as an open question.
Yeah.
Because we might want to cap the y velocity at 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. As soon as you hit.
Yeah.
Now we can see how it looks.
Let's generate some proper pipes because right now it's kind of bogus.
Yeah. Random gap positions. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Good call. So we should.
We're also not generating new pipes as you go through the world.
So we should probably do.
Can we just make a generate new pipe?
Do we do it before or after we draw? Just do it after.
Sure.
Generate new pipes. Let pipes equals generate new pipes given the current pipes.
Sure.
State env. That's just a classic.
You might. Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Sure.
Okay.
You
said it.
We'll figure out what it does.
Yeah. Pipes. Done. JK.
Here's a Flappy Bird colliding.
So we want to return. So we actually we can keep the same number of pipes, but iterate over them, finding the one that have an x plus width that is smaller than 0.
Yeah. X offset plus x.
Oh, x. Yeah, that.
Can't send to YouTube.
Oh shoot.
Wow.
You can
send it in pieces or something. I'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Laptop's at 7%. Right now.
Do you need to plug it in? Want to go plug it in?
Okay, I'll figure it out.
Pipes.
You're getting the smallest pipe.
The smallest pipe?
Or your
what? I'm just saying, like, if the pipe. So if x plus minus.
So x is the pipe, like absolute position in the world.
Yeah.
Minus the offset is
the camera.
How far you've gone forward.
Yeah. Minus the width. Pipe width.
Yeah.
If that's smaller or even equal to 0, generate a new pipe. Else. XY.
Pipe.
Yeah. Pipe. As pipe. So, wait, why is x offset? Oh, it's x offset here. And it's a float. And what's the problem? Oh, this is returning a unit right now. So we want a new pipe. So we want to do you have random generation? Do you know how that works? Random dot.
There is a random function in utils. Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. Random f.
Oh, it actually jump, and hops up if it hits something, and then falls on the ground. It doesn't actually move forward.
Yeah.
Huh. Wow, bunch of liars.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling it.
Whatever, doesn't matter.
We'll tweak it later.
Let's move forward.
Yeah. So luckily, Avery implemented utils.random minimum Probably like 50. Maximum probably floor y.
You want to
Minus
like make
50.
sure you factor in the gap.
You factor in the gap. Oh, 50 plus half gap minus half gap. So this gives us the y, and then the x is going to be ux. So the x is going to be actually, we're going to iterate through the pipes and then find list dot. Is that really the closest one? Okay, we'll keep an eye on. You guys,
outlet positions.
do you want to swap?
Yeah, we're swapping.
We're swapping. This is the outlet is out there. How's the streaming going?
It's going good.
Perfect.
Okay, so let's get this because we still gotta do all the sprite stuff. So
We want the leftmost. Oh.
There's a random function reprocessing because it has to write either JS or native random. No, you can use the random function in Reason and it's fine. I included it because the library is based on processing, which is another graphics library, and they have a random function in their utils. So I just stuck it in there in case anybody who was familiar with reprocessing wanted to use something that was familiar with processing wanted to use that. Yeah, I might still remove it or something. You can use definitely random dot whatever functions you want from there. Antonio.
Oh. Hi, Antonio. Saying hi to this thing. Nice to have you here. We're having fun here. We're generating random pipes. Okay.
You're trying to get.
I'm folding over the pipes so that I can just track the rightmost one.
You want to find the biggest, the max x position.
Max x, yeah.
Is there no list?
List dot max x. I don't think.
Not max x, but the same function. No, probably not. It's a fold.
It's a fold. Yeah. So what I want to say is here, if x is bigger, because it goes that way, than max x bigger than max x.
You don't need rightmost.
I need to return it.
No, you just need the value of x.
I just need the value of x. True. I'll just do that then. Bigger. If x is bigger than max x, I return. Yeah, just bam.
Yeah.
Actually, it can be a ternary.
Yeah.
Question mark x, otherwise max x.
And,
super easy.
pipes.
Default value will be 0. It's fine. And then pipes. Does this compile? Yeah, sure.
You're just not applying the labels.
Nobody cares. Let's see. So
we're not calling it, right?
we're not calling it?
Oh yeah, I guess we are.
We are. We're not setting the pipes though.
Oh, to be the new pipes.
There we go.
We could even have intermediate state modification that happens in all cases, and then
yeah.
but
No,
it doesn't matter.
that's not.
Actually, for most of these, it will never change, so it doesn't matter. But
So this should be updating the pipes, right?
oh, look, it's a poorly updated pipe.
What the heck was that last pipe?
Are you putting them all in the same spot or something?
So yes, I am. I forgot to add But we found the rightmost pipe, but then we wanna
Add
Go.
the rightmost pipe to that.
yeah. So we wanna add some number between 50 and say 400. Shush. That is too big. Okay, wait. I don't know what happened here. Okay, first of all, they're disappearing too quickly. And 50 is... Jesus. Oh, good thing they're disappearing.
They disappear too fast.
Yeah. So, what did I do wrong here? X minus X offset. Minus X offset? Yeah. Minus pipe width.
Plus pipe width?
No, we
We
wanna...
want it to make sure that it's off the screen completely. So adding will... We're waiting until it's less than 0, right? So adding will make it off the screen later.
Oh, I don't understand math. Yeah, Avery's always right, guys. Okay, 50. Oh, it's a bit
It's a little aggressive.
Yeah, let's do 150 and like 600.
600?
Is that too much?
Yeah.
Okay, the first couple are boring, and then
600.
Oh shit. Okay, that is a little bit much.
Do like 300.
300.
Yeah. And also,
Why does there start with no pipes? I don't get that. Oh, because all the pipes are that way. We don't reset the pipes
we don't reset the X position
of the pipes.
of U when it hot reloads.
We do.
I don't know.
No, the problem is that we move the pipes in the real world.
Sure.
So when we restart, it has the old pipes that are all the way there.
Way over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to regenerate the pipes when you restart.
Just regenerate.
Yeah.
Right.
We want to do that anyway. We want to have random pipes for every time.
Here, let's just call...
What about math.max of x and max x? Oh, right. Yeah, you didn't need the ternary. You could have just done a max. You could have done max of x and max x.
Oh, ha. Nice. You guys are awesome. Max x and x.
Actually, you could almost... Yeah.
You can.
If it wasn't a tuple, you could just...
yeah. You could just pass in.
The equivalent is random.float in the standard bit, but it doesn't take a lower bound. Yeah, no, you could definitely use random.float.
Generate new default pipes.
Because this doesn't add any pipes.
I
mean, you could...
This is based on the previous...
What you could do...
Right.
What you could do is have like a bunch of pipes that are negative x, and then it'll just regenerate them all. Don't do that.
Okay.
You could have one proper pipe.
Can we just
Make
do
it
that?
so that it can add a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get generate pipe given an x.
Yeah.
And then we'll just give it some random x values. Not random, but you know what I mean. And then flux, please. Okay. That's cool. What's going on? What's this? Oh, labels were omitted. Okay, fine. Min, max. So it stops complaining.
If you restart on hitting the ground, you won't have this problem. Maybe that's out of date.
Live stream. Oh, hi Ricky. I don't know if you're here, but hi. So when we restart, pipes become this new array where we call generate pipe with like 0, to 100, 200, and 300.
Sounds good.
There's no way that worked.
That does seem wrong.
Oh, wait. This is expecting a float.
Oh, it didn't build.
Yeah. I just run Flappy Bird to build it. Okay. Crap.
What just happened? Zero automatically gets put.
No, the problem is
First off, you don't want one at 0, right?
it's too potentially close.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you don't want one at 0. You want one at 200 and 400, 600.
Whatever.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't need to restart. Darn.
Yeah, you keep restarting.
Yeah.
Okay, this looks better.
It's pretty nice. Okay. Pretty aggressive pipes.
Yeah, why did that happen?
That's just the minimum. I don't know.
It's like 50?
No. What's the width of the pipe?
Pipe width?
Thank you. Let's see.
50 or so?
Pipe width 50. No, the minimum should be way more than 50. Like way more. Oh wait, no, never mind. X minimum is 150 plus. Yeah, well, it could be. We could make it bigger.
That's probably fine. Let's just do it.
Yeah, it's probably fine.
Okay, so what's next?
What?
This is basically the whole game.
Can I seed it? Can I seed the random? Just for testing.
Yes.
Util dot
Search for
random seed.
Yeah.
Util dot random seed.
Do it in setup, though, probably.
You think?
Yeah. Yeah, do it in setup.
Where's setup? Setup is here. Bam. Setup won't be called. But okay,
No,
so
actually,
now
maybe you do
it doesn't
want
matter.
to draw. Yeah, I don't know.
No, let's
just not do it.
Yeah. Let's not worry about it. Okay. We don't care about y. Okay, that's great. We don't care about n. Okay, that's great.
Well, you could just not pass it in.
Shh.
In general, you only need env if you're going to draw
Or any other thing.
do some manipulation, some imperative manipulation of the state. There's some exceptions, like getting the screen size and stuff like that. But
Okay, so I'm
I
just
think
gonna
this
die.
is good. Let's just.
Yeah.
What is up with that? See, that's definitely less than 50. Are you not regenerating the pipes properly?
Here, those could be closer.
Oh.
There's no.
Oh, it's just taking that. It's just taking 200 as a starting point
Yeah.
and then generating a random.
Yeah.
Huh.
I
That's
might
pretty
give.
bad.
I might give it a.
We might want to tweak that. We could. It
Oh,
would be nice if there was something that was a little more in between those two things.
here we
where-
could fold. No, we can't.
like a function that will check the biggest one and shove one on the end. That will add.
Yeah, but we don't. Oh, we don't. Whatever.
Whatever, just have it be bad.
Okay, that's not how they'd be bad.
It's fine. We can. It's good enough for now.
We can.
Let's add some sprites. It'll make it look better. And
Yeah.
plus, it'll be interesting.
Yeah, we want to make interesting content here.
Okay, so time to figure out how to draw an image.
Okay,
Let's do that.
that should be super easy, right?
Yep. So in setup, we basically want to add a thing to our state. So yeah.
Oh,
So in our type, we want to add to our type an image because we want to keep this around, and it's going to be image t.
image T.
Yeah.
Nice. And then that's it.
Yeah. and
That's
then-
the Flappy Bird's image.
Yeah. So
Oh, that's the
let's
sprite
show,
map.
Can we show?
Yeah,
You might want to copy that into a local folder as well into this project.
because it's not there, right?
Just copy the
assets.
assets folder.
Copy the assets folder. Yeah. So
we'll explain everything that's in here. There's not very much stuff.
Oh
Dash
my
R.
god. Okay. Here's the.
So there's this spreadsheet. We downloaded it from the internet because we're hackers.
It's just on the internet.
Yeah, you can find it. Just search for Flappy Bird. So whatever, we're gonna take some little pieces of this thing and draw them on the screen, and those will be our sprites.
Yep. We can take the red one this time,
Sure.
or we can just take the same one.
Yeah, it depends. Do
you want to spend the time finding the rectangles around?
we can do it for the red one, and then everything else.
Yeah.
Not. Anyway, okay, so let's do it.
Okay. How
So
do
we
do
need
this?
to load the image in setup.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna need to restart it for this.
Yeah, I did. What's the call?
It's
Env?
draw
dot
load image.
load. Okay. Load
So
image. Luckily, we totally have docs. Oops, comma. Should be able to. There we go. File name.
yeah,
So it's
should
assets
also take env.
slash.
Oh, maybe not.
No.
Huh. Okay.
Weird. Assets slash.
Flappy.png.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Does that work?
Complaining.
Yeah, it's complaining.
Uh,
This expression has type.
file name goes to image. An expression is an image of ref option found. Blah.
What if I build? Oh no, it needs the end.
Yeah. Okay, something not funny there. Okay,
Cool.
so run it.
Why? It won't do anything, right?
Yeah, but we can hard reload now.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try just drawing the image and making sure that it gets on the screen. So in maybe near the end of draw, just like draw the whole image, after that, yeah, just to draw image, and should be able to pass it
image and a position probably.
Position.
Let's see. Pause
Position,
with heights.
width and height are optional.
Okay.
So just
Pause. So 100, and image is in our state. That didn't parse. Oh, it's an equal. Sorry.
okay. So we're loading it in successfully. That's great.
Yeah.
Now most of our calls are going to be done using draw subimage.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Subimage.
Let's do the bird, I guess.
Yeah.
So instead of an ellipse, we're going to be drawing
subimage.
Image.
Ooh, baby.
Yeah. So that takes the pause, height, width, and it also takes a texture position and a texture width and a texture height.
Right.
It's the spot on your picture that you want to be drawing. It's cool that you can destructure a record passed as an argument into values with the same name as some of the keys. I haven't run into that yet. It's like the punning in the record destructuring.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's slick.
Yeah. Exactly. That is what it is.
Okay, so we want pause.
Pause. So that is going to be this thing. That's the position at which to draw, right?
Yeah, the position at which to draw. It's a rectangle, so we might need to offset those or change collision, right? Because
this is because it's going to be a weird.
Yeah.
Oh no! Wait, we're doing collision at this. This is the center. We're thinking of it as the center, right?
That's what I'm saying.
So let's move it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bird.
So I'm saying we could have either changed collision or changed this. So we can just change this.
Yeah.
Bird size divided by 2 is going to be the same both times.
Nope.
Only do one division.
Oh my god. Please kill me. Pause and then what?
Width and height.
Width.
So that's going to be bird size.
Bird size, height,
It's going to be
bird size, text pause.
So this is the fun part. So now we're going to open up preview again.
And then we're going to draw.
If you zoom all the way out and draw a rectangle from the top left, you can zoom in after you draw the rectangle.
Oh.
Yeah. Do that to like roughly the right, and then zoom in down to where it is, and pick a spot, and
so let's
like move it around a little.
Let's say.
Actually, we probably want it as tight around as possible.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, so here.
Yeah.
So 115, 381.
Yeah.
115, 381. I'm assuming those are floats. And they're not.
They're not. Yeah. So this is.
Okay.
Those are not because they're pixel positions.
Text. Oh, subpixel is not a thing.
That wouldn't be useful.
Okay. And then here, I need to start from here and do this.
17 by 12.
17. So that's 17 is the width, and then text height is 12.
And actually, the subimage API accepts only ints for all arguments.
Oh.
This is what I was talking about before.
Great.
Yeah. So
Love
we
it.
just int of float them.
Yeah. Int of float.
It's actually good to have them floats because otherwise you get some weird gap issues when you divide them or manipulate them in different ways.
Yeah. What's going on here? Has type. It's text width. Oh, very nice. Bam.
Oh,
wow.
Okay, so he's a little squishy.
Oh, because he's not a rectangle. Shoot.
It could be that we should go back and come up with a better...
Make a square?
Yeah.
Here. 17 by 17?
Yeah, probably that's the best.
Let's just do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, wait. We want to see it. Hot reload. Oh, 17 by... Ugh. He's a little small.
Does it get smaller?
No, yeah. We can make him bigger. Right?
Well, you can just draw it at a bigger size, yeah. So I don't know why bird size...
Bird size is what?
20? Just make it bigger.
40? Yeah. Wait, 60? Why is he blurry?
There's a call...
There's a call to make that happen.
Env or draw... Sorry, I got it.
Env or draw.
Oh, actually, it's not a call. It's in load image.
Okay.
Should take an optional argument. Can you check the docs, quote unquote?
Yeah, here, let's open the docs.
Didn't you have it open before? You have reprocessing utils open there.
Yeah, but...
Just open reprocessing draw.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Underscore draw.
Reprocessing underscore draw.
.rei.
Okay, let's see.
One day these will be wonderfully generated into...
Yeah, this will be actual docs.
Look for load image.
Load image.
So there's an isPixel flag, which will change the interpolation mode of GL so that it will. So that
doesn't
happens on
reload.
mode. So if it happens in the setup function, then it's not going to happen on reload.
Whoa, what did I do?
What happened?
Oh my god, colon again.
Huh?
I don't know what's up with that. Load image. Is pixel. Load image is pixel. Sir? There we go. Bam.
Look at that. Beautiful.
So amazing.
It's huge.
So basically, OpenGL knows that this is pixel art. And so you tell it that, and then you can basically scale the image by however much you want, because it won't like blur it. It won't do any...
It won't try to guess like what color is between two pixels.
Right.
It'll just pick the closest
Just
one.
sharp edges. Right, yeah. So that's nice. Now we have a fat
Yeah,
ass.
it's pretty awful.
Dun, 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 dun. Bird size 40.
that weird?
Yeah, he looks super weird. What's up with that? Does he look weird here? Yeah, he does, huh? Which one? We use that guy? He looks way less weird.
I don't think that it's that.
In what way does he look weird?
It's being. I think we just picked a bad scaling, so that it's getting some weirdness. Anyway, let's keep going.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a big deal.
He's a little bit big, if you notice. He's a little bit hovering.
Oh, yeah. So I think what we should maybe do is change bird size back and then scale it in the draw.
We should maybe also like center this. Oh, there's no way. Like center it like this.
Yeah. So like subtract 2 off of the.
What is this? Close that. Okay. Do what?
So like let's change bird size back to whatever it was.
20.
And then when we draw the bird, sort of scale that a bit. And we probably also want to change text pause so that instead of 380, it's like 379 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jared's pointing out it's because we're using bird size as the radius. So it's probably 17 by 17 to 51 for bird size. Yeah, I'm thinking if we do more of a even ratio or something like not some weird ratio between the number of pixels. Anyway, just do width and height bird
here?
size times whatever. Do it in size. It doesn't matter.
1 point times 2.
Yeah, sure. We'll just see what it is.
Okay. Oh, we can still. Ooh. Oh, he doesn't die when he hits the floor. Oh, we forgot about this. Shoot. Hit floor. If running.
You're using bird size as radius, but for the image you're using it as the diameter. Yeah, it's okay. So times 2 is right. Thanks.
Hit floor is dead. Oh. Yeah, in both cases.
If it hits floor, then it goes to restart.
What? No, it just dies, right?
Well, but it's already hit the floor, so it's technically restart.
Oh, well, yeah, but luckily our state machine works perfectly. Okay, so times 2 is good? It's a little low now. I don't know, dude.
Are we drawing it at the right spot? Here we're doing minus bird size divided by 2, but apparently we're pretty much always using.
Wait, we're
bird
using
size as,
how?
I'd imagine
we're using it as a radius.
Yeah, we're using bird size as radius, sort of
So,
inconsistently.
Okay, let's use it as a
radius.
Okay, sure. Let's use it as a radius. So we don't.
So we don't have to save.
Haha, yeah, that's way better. Let's see how we get. Let's do the collision. Okay, that's pretty good. Cool. Yeah, that's probably pretty good.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. Nice. Thanks.
So 1 down.
Yeah. Now what?
Do you want to do the floor? Actually, do you want to do the pipes?
Yes. Sure.
Let's do the pipes.
I love the pipes. Let's see. Should I make a draw pipes? Or just inline it?
Sure, let's do the draw pipes. It's easy to do.
Pipes. State and then. Oops. So we take. It's this stuff, right? Draw pipes. State env. Does that still work? X offset. Pipes. Okay, still works.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right. So now we want to change those to be actually draw subimage calls.
Yep. Both of them.
Yeah. And they'll be in some ways the same.
So it's going to be the same image.
Yeah.
So that's just image.
Yeah, and then pause should be the same.
Width and height should be the same. And then it's text pause. It's gonna be different. So let's go. Let's just do it. Want to take the red one this time? Or we could do a night one. Let's do the night one.
Yeah, sure. Do you want to do the red one?
Yeah. So that's 0.
0 by. Get out of the way.
Oh shoot! No. $323.
Yeah.
So 0.
323. It's now
yeah, 323, and then text width is going to be 26.
Yeah.
26.
Text
height is the whole height.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So actually, yeah, we will have to tweak the first one so that it draws
160.
it based on because we can't really. Yeah. Well, let's do this and we'll see what it looks like, and it will look wrong and we'll fix it.
Oh, they're both facing the wrong way. Well, here.
Huh. Yeah.
Can we rotate?
Yeah, we can.
We can, right? We can rotate the world.
Sure.
Push, rotate, pop.
Yeah.
Rotate, draw, pop.
Yeah.
By 180 degrees.
We can try.
Let's play. Yeah. Great. This is unknown tech. Fuck. 160. Yeah, probably something like that. Oops. Why is this not working?
Floats.
Oh, God damn it. Okay. We have pipes. Everyone.
They're upside down.
Yeah.
And you notice they're also scaled this way. That's what I was talking about before. Is that we don't technically want the height to be the height. We want it to be. We want to draw them further up.
Mm-hmm.
And then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, it won't look good.
Yeah. Okay, let's do that.
And have the height be. Yeah.
So position is going to be the Y position is actually going to be the.
It's negative. It's the Y position of the pipe, like the middle of the pipe, minus the height that we're drawing the pipe, right?
Minus the pipe height.
Yeah, pipe.
Pipe height. Okay.
Yeah, so we have to decide how long we want the pipe to be. But.
Oh, there's no pipe height.
Yeah.
160. Damn. Decided.
It's probably way too short.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh. What about 300?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Gotta love the hot reload though.
Yeah.
And then the height.
And then we want to draw it.
It's just at that height.
That's right.
Okay. Whoops.
And so that seems wrong. Didn't do that.
Into float. Okay, that
seems okay.
Is that okay?
I don't know. We can't see the top, so
yeah.
Here,
let's do. Okay, let's do the matrix stuff.
Okay.
Draw dot push matrix, right?
Yeah.
So we push the matrix. So this is a like a GL kind of thing.
Well, no, this is processing. This is a processing API.
Yeah, but
it's not using GL to do any matrix operations.
Yeah, but it's the same as OpenGL, where you have this matrix that represents the world coordinate system, and then you can save it, get it back, change it. So we'll rotate the whole world. Rotate takes a float that is.
I think it's radian.
Great. So do I have constants?
Yeah.
Rotate. Constants. 2 pi.
Constants. Did it work?
Uh,
Env as well. Takes env.
takes env.
Might not be called constants.
Unbound. Here, I can check.
It's 2 underscore pi.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
In constants?
Constants.
Oh. Okay.
But you don't actually want 2 pi. You want pi.
Oh, I want pi. Derp. Which, ooh.
So we also probably want to draw them at 0, 0 and then translate. There's some funniness when you do the matrix stuff can get sort of complicated.
Okay, so we want to translate.
Usually you want to draw at 0, like the position at 0, 0 and then translate.
Okay, let's do it. 0, 0. Can I rotate first? No, I should translate first.
We'll try both and see which one works.
I see. Experimental.
Because I always forget.
Is that correct? Does that even build?
It doesn't seem like it. Translate takes floats.
Perfect.
Is that building?
I think so. Oops.
Okay, can you swap them? Okay, so we're not seeing them.
Huh. Weird. Is it actually building? Yeah, it's building. Here, let me kill it. Restart. Yeah.
Use could just use text height. Ben says use could just use text height, but I don't know what that means.
Text height?
Yeah, I'll ask.
Text height.
Oh, we could use text height for the pipeline. Yeah, we could do that. It's probably too small though. Everything is about 2 times or so what it is in that image. So maybe 2 times text height or something would be fine. What's up? Not working?
It's not really drawing anything. Are you sure rotate even works?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? It's rotating around here.
Like it's rotating.
We have to go push it down.
Right, it's rotating around 0.
So we want to move it down by...
I want to translate the opposite way or something.
There we go.
Uh-huh, okay.
That's not really right either. Right?
Because they're all the same.
Yeah. Oh, no, that's the start level. There we go. Okay, now...
So now they need to be further up. Right?
Yeah, by this amount. Oh, genius. This is good.
Yeah, seems good.
Nice.
Let's do the bottom ones. They'll be much easier.
Yeah. So bottom ones.
So yeah, rotation is not that easy, but it's possible, and it's powerful once you figure it out.
Yeah.
So you can do like shearing and like rotation and all sorts of weird operations, and like compose them all together. Let's not do it. You can compose them all together. Shear with an A.
Oh. And give it pi. Oh
Yeah,
my god.
So you can do some crazy stuff.
That's cool. Jesus fuck. Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
It's Ben's first time watching a programming stream.
Nice.
Welcome.
Yeah.
We're honored.
Yeah. I hope this is exciting.
Yeah. Not just us messing up how to use our own API. Okay, so here x plus y plus half cap. Why is that not working?
I don't know.
It's definitely not drawing in the right spot.
It's not building.
Oh, photo bin.
Into float, Avery. Oops. There we go.
The
Gosh.
translation X might be wrong.
It needs to move to the right by pipe width.
Yeah. Also, it seems like, is that right? It seems like the pipe. No, I think it's good. It's good.
It looks kind of shitty.
It's good.
This is a real small gap all of a sudden. Oh, I can clear it.
We're drawing them in slightly the wrong spot.
Ah, shh.
Do you still have the rectangles? Is that bottom one? No, you deleted it.
No, here, I can undo for a while.
Oh, careful.
Okay.
This is a good way to debug this. This is why you make it all in rectangles first. It's easy. And then...
Okay, so here are the rectangles.
okay, so the top of the pipes are a little bit wrong.
So this guy goes down too much by... Oh, it's missing half gap.
Yeah.
Y equals Y minus half gap. Bam. So if we hide that one and hide that one.
Awesome. We basically got a game now.
Holy crap. We can play it. We're done.
You might want to put the pipes under the floor.
Yeah. Draw, floor, state, and yeah, doesn't matter. Draw floor.
We don't really need it. It's just direct.
Yeah, but it's you know,
Sure.
code organization.
Yeah.
Bam.
It's good stuff.
Okay.
Great. This is fun.
Yeah, this is super fun. I'm having so much fun. Look at the all the fun.
Okay, what's next? The scrolling background and foreground, I guess, is all that's left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
that's gonna be fun. Here, let's lower the. Okay, can we set the aspect ratio?
What do you mean?
This
Sure.
to be. Well, that's not gonna
To
work.
be more phone-like, you mean?
Yeah.
Apparently we look like Murray and Steve from Stranger Things.
Who?
I can't remember what either of those characters
Yeah.
looks like.
Who's Murray? Steve is the dude with the long hair. Do I look like Steve? I'm honored to be Steve. Murray. I'm gonna
You just
copy.
keep going.
I'm just gonna cheat for 1 second and then copy.
He's the like
There.
paranoid dude.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's him. That is
Okay.
exactly.
It's a spoiler-free zone, guys.
Okay. Bam. Phone like. So I just wanted to tweak the floor. Let's. Well, feels a little
I mean, you
naked.
can tweak pipe height.
Can I just tweak pipe height?
Yeah, it'll stretch it a bit, but it's probably fine. You can tweak pipe height and pipe width like as you want, right?
Ooh, that looks way better.
Yeah, like we weren't exactly respecting the aspect ratio of the.
Oh, uh-huh.
Also, the taller it gets, the wider you might want to make the gap between them because it
Yes.
can be hard to.
In this case, yeah.
Anyway, do you want to do the background foreground? Then it'll look really real.
X 50. That seems already big. Guess I can put 200.
The problem is the vertical difference between them can get pretty big. You probably don't need to increase the max. Just well, it's because your thing is totally bogus when it starts, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
And we never fixed it.
Oh, we should fix it. Uh-huh. Okay. Anyway, put this back. Okay, now we're gonna draw the floor. We're gonna draw a better floor. How do I do this?
Okay, so if we think about what we want it to look like, we want the floor to be scrolling by as you're going, right? And then we want the background also to be scrolling by. We probably want the background to be scrolling by slower than the foreground.
Yeah.
But it's the same idea.
Yeah.
So I think it's a tiling image. Like the foreground and the background are both, like you can tile them infinitely.
Yeah.
And so we probably want like two copies of this image and just sort of go like that, and then just sort of to draw this one back here, and then we can just scroll it forever. So if we build a thing that can scroll two images together, then that's probably the easiest way to handle this.
Okay.
The shading on the pipes looks funny because we're just rotating them and not reflecting them on the axis.
Do we have a reflect?
I can't remember.
I mean, the problem is we have this shitty asset thing.
Yeah, but the shadows are on one side versus the other side.
Well, we could take the green assets.
Well, we can always. Is there an API to horizontally transpose the top pipes to address the shading?
Do we have a mirror?
Let's check.
Draw. Shear would work, right?
Maybe if you.
Yeah. If you
negative.
shear. Oh, baby. Okay, wait. Let's see. What if I go shear? X is nothing. Y is -1.
I don't know if shear is what you want.
Nope, maybe not.
Can you just give a negative width? What happens then?
Here?
Yeah.
Negative height?
Negative width.
Wait, what? Oh. Okay, I'm trying.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're saying we could just swap them that way.
Oh my god, that works.
Oh, okay, so we should delete all of this matrix code and do what you said and just do a negative height.
Wait, you think that'll work?
Yeah, try.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, so.
Oh, nice.
Smart.
Genius. Shit, I just deleted the. Okay, we do want that, right?
Just comment it out for now, and then we'll make it work, and then we delete it. We just want negative height, not negative width. And we don't want to draw them at 0, 0 anymore.
We want to draw them at X.
And Y, probably. Probably.
Okay. X offset. That'll make them appear.
And then Y minus
half cap.
Gee.
What?
How do you like that, guys?
That is amazing. Oh my god.
See, you learn something new every day.
That's awesome. Did I really collide? Did I really collide there? I don't believe. Jesus. Okay, there I did. This is pretty hard. We'll have to play with the. It's going to be game testing for the rest of the night. Okay, let's draw the floor. Good job, team.
High five, internet. Sorry.
Epic.
Okay. Draw tile. The function that does like draw tiles something.
That's a known error, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't mind us.
Just doing our thing.
Okay. Yeah. So draw. Okay, let's do it here. We're gonna draw a tile thing.
Can we do a generic thing?
Can we get it done first, and then we'll generify? Okay. How does this work?
So it has an image, and then basically we need to get the subimage. Like we need to go find the pixel positions.
Yeah. So for
you want to do the dark one?
Yeah, let's do the dark.
Oh, we're doing the floor. We're doing the floor.
Okay. I need to draw a rect up until here.
This is like pro level image analysis.
292. So 292
And 0.
and 0. Yeah, this is pro skill, bro. Pro skill, bro. So this will be
The same position.
Well, X offset.
Let's just draw it. Let's just draw it first.
Yeah, 0. And then Y will be floor Y. I guess in theory.
Yeah.
Did that work? Oh, shit.
The text width is way too small.
Yes, that is true. Okay.
And height also we want.
Oh my god, you're so demanding. Not very good at this. Okay. Oh. 168.56. 168. 56.
And the height and width are currently pipe height and pipe width. So we want it to be screen and width. Like just copy the ones from the rect.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's right. Minus 4.
So this is an int, and then
Minus. That's also an int.
Yeah. So minus
into floor the 4.
4y.
So you don't need that other into floor.
Huh? Oh, that's right.
There you go. Bam,
Nice.
4. Looks so much better.
Oh my god.
Thank goodness for artists that aren't us.
Yeah. Jesus. Okay. I'll kill the fill. Kill the rect. Cool.
So do you want to make it scroll?
Yeah.
So
Here we can make it more general. Feel like you want it.
if we do it more general, then we can just swap. We can easily do the second one once we've done the first one.
Yeah.
Basically, all we care about is passing in the position of the texture position,
Okay.
and width height, right? So
it's gonna be like draw tiled
yeah,
thing, and it gets a what?
it has the image, right?
Okay. It takes the image.
Just pass the state.
Okay. Yeah.
And then the
text
like
pause
the text
width and
pause,
height.
Yeah. So text X, text Y.
Text pause. Text width. Text height.
And then also like an offset. Because we're gonna want to scroll it.
Yeah.
How much do you want to scroll it?
So this will actually be offset.
More or less. Yeah.
Oh, it needs an actual pause. It needs an actual position, right?
Yeah.
It needs an X,
It needs
Y.
a Y for us. We just care about Y.
Yeah. Okay. So it's an
X,
offset.
Like it's an offset X, and it needs a Y.
Okay. Here, let's make them foot. Wait, no, ints. Yeah, let's make them ints. And then a Y.
Yeah.
Cool.
And so then.
So let's copy this.
Well, okay. You're copying, so we don't lose it.
Yeah. And then
remove those, and then we'll get punned.
shoot. Yeah.
Okay. So just make sure.
Minus.
Call it. Do you want to call it with the right thing?
Height.
We also probably have to pass it a height.
So it's gonna do two things.
Yeah. It's not just drawing, right? It's doing a tile. It has to scroll.
Okay.
So do it twice.
And
then we don't actually want to draw that offset X. We want to draw that offset X mod screen width.
We want a width.
Width we don't care. It's screen width.
Okay.
Width is screen width. Don't pass in width.
Yep. Where's width? Width is width.
You might want to
Width.
just have a width variable because we're going to use env width everywhere.
Okay.
And there's a pun.
Gotta love the punning. Okay. Now what? Does it return a state?
No.
But it has to. Oh no! It doesn't
No.
care.
Basically, we just want to draw that offset mod width.
This guy?
Yeah, one of them, right? Because we want it to we want one of them to sort of just scroll through this width size thing, and then we're going to draw another one at offset mod width
+1.
plus width, or minus width, whatever makes sense,
Okay.
right?
So it's gonna shift, and the other one is gonna be.
It's going to be offsetted by a bit, and it's going to be also shifting in the same way.
We want it to go left though, right? As x offset increases, it goes more to the left.
We might need to make something negative, but we can just try it and see what happens.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a question by Ben. Do we use Reason at work at all?
A little bit.
Yeah. I mean, me no.
I use it a bit for some JavaScript tools, things.
Not a lot. Not a big part of either of our work, though.
Yeah, unfortunately. But one day, probably.
Yeah.
It's better than writing JavaScript, so.
Yeah. Okay, so how are we doing? You did mod width, and then the other one so can we see if that works? Or what it does?
Okay.
Maybe don't draw...
So I need to pass in the state. I need to pass in this thing. State pod. Nah.
Now just pass in x offset. I want to call it x offset, not offset x. That's what you're doing.
Then x offset,
And then y and height.
which is what? Y.
So in this case, y
It's
is
floor.
height. It's
Floor
height.
Y. What?
It's that. Y
is
y is floor y. Right?
Yeah.
And then height is the height that's hard coded there.
Here, they're both. And height is this guy?
Yeah.
This thing?
Yeah. Right.
Sure. Comma. Okay. Error. Expression as type float restriction. Oh, right.
Okay, so you can't put it.
What mod is?
No, it's just that x offset is a float in draw.
Yeah, let's wait.
Does
Width.
mod take a float?
Where is width is an int? Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Int a float. There we go. Okay. And then floor y. Oh, y.
Same problem.
Int a float. Okay.
Okay, so now play the
Perfectly
game
not
a
working.
bit.
Oh.
Well, it might be working. Okay, so it's scrolling in the wrong direction first off.
Yeah.
But it's scrolling at about. You see how it resets?
Yeah. So it's scrolling in the wrong directions because.
So try just making it negative.
Yeah.
Space.
Okay. So that seems.
So that's much better.
And then the other one's gonna boop. So
That's not the other one. That's the same one.
Oh, they're both under each other.
Yeah.
Uh,
Actually, one of them is not being mod by width. So.
mod width, and then it needs to be plus
plus width.
plus width.
Yeah, try that.
Plus.
No. There, look.
Bam. Oh yeah, you guys like that? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so Flappy Birdie. Look how Flappy Birdie this is. This is amazing. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa, no. Clearly JavaScript is the best language. That's true. You're right.
Yeah.
We all love JavaScript. No, we do. Yeah, I realized that I actually love JavaScript. Would take JavaScript over Python any day.
OCaml bytecode interpreter and WebAssembly.
Should we sign a petition?
Yeah.
Do we?
Is there like a Kickstarter?
Yeah. Is that a what is it called? Patreon? Okay. So that works.
Yeah, no, I think there is some prototype or something.
By Seb?
Maybe.
Markage. So I can call it with the other dude. Okay, I'll go figure out the coordinates of the background. $8 months ago. Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, let's totally get nerd sniped on.
Yeah. 146. And 0.
Apparently Jordan's watching, or at least he was like an
Ooh.
hour and a half ago.
Yeah, I don't know.
Probably not anymore.
Jordan, if you're watching, send us a sign.
Okay, well, give it like 5 minutes.
Oh, sorry. Run with the platform. Yeah. Let's see. Text pause. Shoot. What was I saying?
Ben does
146.
95% JavaScript. Other Ben, not you, Ben.
Yeah. What was it? 146. 146, 0.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. It's okay to be cool. Kid. $144 and $256.
Okay, and then have y be 0, and then height is env height,
And offset.
x offset like divide by 2. You ready for this?
Oh!
You draw them in the wrong order.
Oh my god!
Do that one instead of background. Yeah.
Oh wait, does it work? Oh my god, isn't that cool?
Do you know what I realize we don't have?
What do we have?
A score.
Yeah, we don't have a score.
So we should have a score.
Yeah, let's do it.
There's a question about BSB native ever being part of BSB.
Yes. It will be.
That was yes, yeah.
I'm working on it.
There was a bit of a period of like prototyping it out, make sure we sort of covered the surface area of what needs to be done, figure out how it all worked, and now it's transitioning over to more focus on.
Now it's working and it's pretty stable. So
yeah,
we'll get it.
Gradually get some PRs in.
Yeah, but in the meantime, you can just use it and tell me if there's anything you need.
Yeah, I mean that sort of thing like will make it even easier to merge, is if people are using it, then it's considered useful.
Yeah. If you feel like making it work on Windows, feel free.
Yeah, you have a couple of issues open for
Yeah.
if they want.
I actually created issues that were what?
So if you draw the circle, he's not circular, right? Like we probably need to tweak by a couple of pixels the difference between
what is it? Draw ellipse, and then what's the type of that thing? Come on, center,
which is that,
and then
so not minus bird size. bird size. And don't subtract bird size.
Why is this? They're not. What's going on?
Labels? The first thing is a tuple.
Oh. And then what?
Is everything afloat?
Okay.
Yeah, see, so that's the rectangle. That's the shape we're checking collision for. And
So
we probably in the drawing want to just tweak by a few pixels or something.
So if I made this smaller, everything gets smaller?
Yeah, that's the thing. Everything is...
Okay, let's see. The drawing of the bird, we probably want... What am I missing?
He's using it, apparently. What are you using it for?
Nice. Pretty cool. Thank you. We're making this for you guys. So much work.
In the draw, you can just like...
Width.
Yeah.
So
just add... It looks so bad.
It's so derp. What?
It's because it's like trying to... We're scaling it by like a non-pixel size, so like it's having trouble.
Should probably just add.
Well, yeah, because you definitely need some Y offset, right?
Yeah. Plus,
you could also tweak text pause up and down. Actually, that's maybe a better way to do it.
What?
Here, tweak text pause Y.
Down,
down, more. Down.
Text pause.
Text pause Y. Tweak it like, yeah. So now he's more in the middle, right? Can you do the multiplication not as a float?
Well, then what? Times 2? Just times 2?
Can you int a float bird size and then just times 2?
Sure. You think that'll matter?
I don't know.
2 is a pretty round number.
Bird size is already not a whole... Yeah, right.
Clearly that should be 19. And then they both become smaller. Oh, we should do bird size
you sort of want to
minus...
scale. I don't know what you're trying to do.
What am I even?
That's pretty good.
He looks so terrible.
Why are you adding the +2 inside of the image float?
I don't know.
Don't. Okay, let's limit the amount of time we spend tweaking this.
Okay, can I move him a little bit up?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because you want to.
There we go.
Whatever. Okay, let's keep going.
Now he's like hovering a little. It's okay. We'll make him. Anyway, cool.
Well, yeah, we can fix it later.
Yeah.
We need to score.
Yeah. So now we need to.
Otherwise, all of this is meaningless.
Yeah, you're right. It is.
So if you look at the image, the score image.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, that's gonna be a whole thing.
So you can see there's a bunch of numbers on there, right? So you could obviously write some code that would like go read the number and like sub-image it like we're doing now. The game also the processing also has a way of specifying a font that's basically a packed picture that has all of the glyphs like in one image, and then a text file. You can show the text file.
Sure.
We did this already for this font. A text file that describes where in the image
looks like this.
The characters are.
Is the code even readable when we write it?
I would assume that somebody would have complained. Yeah, so basically this just, encodes some width and height and, X and Y positions of the numbers from 0 to 9, and it gives their ASCII character ID and stuff like that. This is like a pseudo standardized format. It's not. I didn't invent this format. We're actually, if people care enough, I'm gonna go and port over our code that does rendering of TTF and OTF fonts. We wrote some prototyping code to do it in another project, and I can just port it over to reprocessing, and then you can use any kind of font that you want without any sort of weird stuff like this. Though you can make it work now, you just need to sort of do some work on your own.
By hand. So we're not gonna rewrite this.
You can generate these for regular fonts, files, but you can also write them by hand if you want. So we wrote it already. We're just going to use it.
Yeah. So I need a font, right?
Yeah.
Probably font T.
That's right.
And then do we need anything else?
Load the font.
We need a score.
Right.
So then we got to load the font.
Yeah, Ben says with the new Reason syntax, you can read it really easily.
Okay. Okay.
I think you meant
the font
resolution.
Size. Yeah.
But hey,
that's
bonus.
good to know. Yeah.
That's what it's for, right? Like.
Yeah. It's just JavaScript. Okay. How do I load a font?
Draw font. Load font.
Font.
Same thing.
File name
and is pixel.
FNT. Okay. And then I'm missing score, which is 0. Yep, you noob. Now what?
So now we can do draw.text.
Okay. On top of everything, sure. Draw.text. Let's see. It takes a font, body, and pause. Font, body is going to be string of int score, pause.
Shove it somewhere for now.
Yeah. I'm guessing this is an int. And font and score. Where am I even? Okay.
So let's see if that did anything. And we're not increasing it, but we got a little 0 there.
Sick.
Okay, so now we can just leave that open.
How did you make it bigger?
With the matrix thing.
Mm.
So we can do that, but first let's make it increase.
Mm-hmm. So,
actually, it's pretty easy to do that. We can do a matrix thing now so that people can read it better.
Yeah.
So draw dot push matrix.
Push matrix and draw dot pop matrix. I'm guessing there's a scale. XY draw dot scale 3 dot n. Pretty good.
And then
so I should do.
You should probably not change the position in this case. I'm thinking of having position be optional for this main reason. Oh, nice. Ben played with Reason a bit in the playground. There's actually a reprocessing playground, but unfortunately it's still on the old syntax. So I need to go update that. He uses React and React Native, so he's actively stalking Reason. So,
oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, have you tried? Reason React is pretty slick, pretty well polished.
Yeah.
It's worth checking out.
I realized that's not. I'm gonna hardcode it.
Sure. Probably shouldn't do that.
Why not?
It's fine. Looks good.
Okay.
Let's make it go out.
Yeah. So score, new score equals. So we have to iterate over the pipes. No.
You can just do this. Oh, right. That's everything.
Fold over the pipes.
You can just do this in running down there.
Can I? Are you sure?
Yeah. Why not?
Well, then I have to do it on every case.
No, they won't ever go up. It's only ever going to go up when you're running.
Oh. Uh, True. Score. Now what?
So the problem is, it's kind of in that pipe, generate new pipes thing. No. What do we need?
How did we do it last time?
That's not the point. We're writing it from scratch.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. So
I think when we're going through, that's why it didn't work.
when you update the
We have to know our position before and after, right? We do. We know like how much we move in one frame.
Yeah.
And go through all the pipes and see if adding that would make you move past the pipe. Right?
Yeah.
And then if so, increment the score.
Right.
So you can just do a list exists, and then if it's true, then increment the score.
So so a list exists, and then we're gonna receive a pipe where we only care about the x.
Yeah.
And then we'll do stuff, and then it's pipes. And so we're gonna do if prev x, I guess.
So I mean, it hasn't been set yet, right? So
it's just x offset.
X offset.
If x offset is smaller or equal to x, and x offset this stuff.
Yeah.
And this stuff is actually bigger than x, right?
Yeah. Then true. Just return that.
Oh yeah. Easy. That's pretty cool.
So we might need to add some other things to that, because x offset is not really the bird's position in the world.
Oh.
We can just see how it works and then tweak as necessary.
It's totally not. It's
That's
this
wrong.
plus the default plus
default
bird x. Why is there a bird x? Oh, for the death animation.
Yeah, that we don't actually need anymore.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
So just use default list.
Sure. You can just use bird x.
No, because we'll remove it.
But then we'll probably rename that thing to be bird x.
No. Sorry, you're right. We should just nuke it now. Bird x?
No, not now. Do it after.
Running it. Killing it. Bird x. Bird x.
The reprocessing stuff would be interesting for a cross-platform graphing library. Huh. Yeah. Is there stuff that you can imagine wanting to graph, like cross-platform? Is there advantage to having graphs natively? Maybe. I don't know. I don't do a lot of graphing, I think. You could also, what you could do with that is build it on top of Reasonml if you want it to be really fancy. But it would be like, if you're building a graphing library, you probably want it to be fast, and so you can cut straight to GL with Reasonml and still have it cross-platform. It's just a little harder to write. But you could definitely prototype it in this. And if it's fast enough, then hey, you're good. You can draw lines and stuff. So you should be able to draw a graph. Oh, you did the thing where...
Yeah, it's like faulted because I updated the... Oh my god!
We need to give it a sudden impulse up.
Yeah, apparently. Okay, we don't reset the score.
But it goes up. It goes up at the right time.
Yeah.
Sick.
Dude.
We did it. It's Flappy Bird. We need a little up impulse when he dies.
Yeah, apparently that's the new trend. Which means when he...
when he transitions to dead, right?
Yeah.
So you need to have that collided check again. Probably not when he hits floor. Yeah, probably when he hits floor too. It's like, and then he dies.
When he hits floor?
Does he go and then fall under the floor?
Yeah, he goes like hit, and then down.
And then falls under the floor?
What do you mean under?
Or does he fall onto the
On the floor. On the floor.
She clearly didn't spend enough time playing.
Yeah, quick. Let's take a little break and play Flappy Bird.
Yeah, no, I mean, if you want to try and make a graphing library in reprocessing, that you should definitely try. You can draw lines. I mean, that's all you need, right? I mean, basically.
How would we do the impulse?
Just add
Oh, here.
to the line. Yeah. You have to check collided. In
This?
Bird, yeah. Or. Just do or.
Okay.
Oh, this might actually... Oh, yeah, no, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Awesome. Now what? Oh, reset the score. So when you go from restart to running, score goes back to 0. Sorry, bro. Whoa, that didn't work. It didn't compile? What's up with that? Trailing commas, man. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's a tough one. No. Oh, man.
Nice.
Dope. Okay. Well.
I want to animate the flapping.
Yeah. Do the rotation.
JS charts and D3 are fast enough for a lot of things. I'm sure this could work for that too. Dude, like, I'm totally down to see something that works.
I mean, yeah, it's pretty fast because it's just GL under the hood. So
yeah, it's not that thick of a layer on top of GL. It does some batching of calls.
Yeah.
It collides, rotates with its nose pointed down, and then stops on the floor. Does not go past the floor.
Yeah.
These are mad.
Nice.
Just checking everything.
Yeah, playing Flappy Bird for the good cause.
Yeah. So, yeah, we don't have rotation right now.
Okay, so let's do it. Okay.
Can we do animation instead? It's easier.
Not instead. I want to do both, and then we're done. We need the. Oh, let's show game over.
Oh, yeah, we don't do game over.
How do we know?
Check running.
Okay, wait. Let me just shush this guy.
If running is not equal to running with a capital R, then show game over.
If running not equal to running, draw dot sub image okay, position.
He's just going through YouTube videos.
Let's see, where's this guy? Assets. Okay, where's game over? It's here. What? Why did I open this? Sometimes. We need the position. Did I nail it? Not exactly. So it's like here.
Did you see the number?
Nope.
D3 wouldn't work on mobile, but you can use a web view.
39559.
Yeah, I wish we could get this on mobile.
395.
One of these days.
59.
No
Yeah, it'd be nice to get all of this on mobile for free, wouldn't it?
Wink.
Maybe one day. Yeah.
It's a very small wink.
Yeah, just a very almost impossible to notice. Well, we'll tell you guys. Yeah. Yeah. 9721. Width. I don't care.
200. Leave it.
100. Wait, what was this? Oh, this is the position. 97, 21. Oops, 59. Okay. Been derping a whole bunch. Okay. Whoops. Don't look at this. It's BSP native. Okay. Game over.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay, we're definitely done. Let's do 97 times 2. And then height is 42.
Dude, times a bigger number.
97 times 3. 291.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. And then height would be plus 63.
Pretty good, I think. Move it down a bit.
Yeah. X, Y.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty cool. Score resets a bit. Oh, no. I just had 0. Never mind.
Sorry.
Oh, my God.
Use that back.
No, I'll be fine.
I just unplugged his laptop accidentally.
Okay.
So animation or rotation?
It's not exactly centered.
I mean, how are you coding it? That wouldn't work too much.
Yeah. Animation or rotation? I mean, we can do animation. We know how to do it. Am I not supposed to say it? Draw bird.
You're ruining the.
Yeah, should I
mystery.
pretend? Okay. Oh, how would we do? Let's pretend like we don't know how to do animation. Here's how we're gonna do animation. We already have this X offset that is kind of like how much the world has been scrolled. So we'll just use that as like a time step kind of thing.
Yeah.
And we'll just mod 3, which because we only have 3 frames. And
Divide by some number so that it doesn't switch every.
yeah, right. Divide by some number so it doesn't switch every frame. And then switch on that number and say when it's 0, it's that frame, draw that frame. 1, draw that frame. 2, draw that frame. And every frame will have slightly different thingies, sub-images.
Yeah.
And so to test, we can draw them on top of each other, which is actually pretty
Just to
nice.
make sure that we have the right offsets for everything.
Right, so if I set this to 30, we'll start seeing some derpy stuff.
It'll be 17 as well.
That will be 17. It'll just move, right?
It'll probably move in the Y direction.
Yeah, just the Y direction.
Yeah.
Should I just guess? Here, let's do it. Plus
Add like 20.
20, yeah. So that'd be 98. Okay.
That's good. Next guy.
400 and
5, 4, 5.
404.
Aha. So
404.
it's a pretty handy way to line these things up.
Yeah,
But,
seriously.
and geez, you can imagine how much more of a pain it would be without hot reloading.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Okay, so
And then this
add
one.
another
So how much was
25
this?
or something.
This was 26. So 30.
Yeah.
Bam.
Nice math.
I can math, guys. I can math. Huh.
Okay, so do a switch.
Okay, switch on state dot x offset.
Like divided by 20.
Yeah, let's just guess a number like 20 mod 3. Yeah, right? And then do
Types are probably all good.
shush.
20.
Oh my god. Yeah. There we go. If it's this, it's that. If it's this, it's that. And if it's this, it's that. Close. Bam.
Does
Uh,
mod take ints or floats?
Mod is magical. I don't know actually.
Probably takes ints.
You think? What does it say? It probably takes ints.
Yeah.
You think?
Expression has type float, but expression was expected to type int.
What about mod f? Take that.
Is that a thing?
Ooh. Oh, no, forget
Let's
about
just
mod f.
do it. Yeah. And then just int a float, just the x offset.
Whatever. Okay. And now it's ints.
Yeah.
And clearly I can just replace all dots with nothing.
Okay, so now we're only drawing one. See?
Nice. And then this is assert false.
Which means it should never happen, and it should crash if it happens.
Yeah!
Look at that.
Look at that!
We're flapping.
Little flapping bird. We made Flapping Bird, guys.
More entertaining now.
Yeah.
He flaps so gently.
Yeah, he's like
He's majestic.
boop, 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 boop.
The scaling of the bird itself is pretty bad still. I think it looks worse. It looks worse on your computer. Because
It looks worse on my computer. Is this my fault?
well, because it's lower as screen, right?
It's lower as it's like standard.
It's not.
You and your retina. Yeah.
No, but I think it matters a bit what ratio we're changing the size of the bird by.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do you want us
We
to?
could fiddle it, but we don't need to.
Let's not bother. Let's make him rotate and then go to bed.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
And by go to bed, I mean work on BSB native. No.
Come back and see.
Yeah. Make the whole stack faster install by about a minute, by about 100%. I can't believe he flaps. Game over.
Nice.
Okay, rotation.
I like the flapping.
We use rotate.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit fiddly.
Fiddly boodly boodly. Oh, we have to do
This
it
one
here.
I actually had to look up how to do before
We
when
don't
I
have to
did
do
it originally.
Yeah.
You can just do the matrix thing around the whole.
Yeah, right. So, and then we have to draw. We also have to do the whole thing, right?
Where we draw it at 0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it. Draw a dot, push matrix. Always push the matrix, as we know.
Push and pop matrix let you just change it and then go back to what you were before.
Yeah. Otherwise, it'd be annoying to do the inverse operation.
Yeah, hard.
Translate. Let's translate first.
Yeah, I think that the correct way to do this is to translate, and then like translate. There's two translations that need to happen on a rotation. Because we need to translate around a specific axis, like around its center, right? And so we sort of want to translate it like negative radius, and then rotate, and then translate to the position that we want.
Okay.
If I remember right.
Yeah, that sounds good.
It may be the opposite order.
Perfect. What's going on here? Oh, it's missing a dude thing. And dot. Oh, well, hey, bird's still on screen.
Good.
And if I comment this out, bird, no screen. No on screen. Bird on screen.
It was on screen. It was.
Shh. Okay, let's see.
Draw that rotate.
Draw that rotate.
Then we
rotate. Then we get what?
We get to figure out what the rotation should be.
Jesus Christ, so much. Crap.
It's okay. Just put a value.
Okay, I'm gonna put 1. Bam. He's gone. Yeah. Okay, so we need to translate by bird size. Good night.
Good night. I'll go to bed late.
Not.
We're almost done. Look, it's almost done.
Yeah. Look how done it is.
Oh, wow, you surprised sprites in there.
We killed the
The bird is dead.
the bird is dead.
Okay.
Here, he's
Flappy
back.
Bird without the bird.
It's the
Why
the
is
night
he so
version.
slow?
Yeah, we just haven't
Also,
tweaked
why are the
numbers
pipes
that much.
red?
It's the night version of it.
The night version? There's a night version.
Yeah,
of
look
this
at the
game?
background.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course, there's a stupid night version of this
Stop,
game.
stop bashing on it.
it's the best.
No, I just mean like, of course, like the person who made this originally like made a night
It's
version.
not stupid. Yeah, I don't know when it switches or why. I don't know
I
the
think
background.
it's occasionally random. I don't know. Let's
You
just
sure it
finish.
doesn't read the time on your phone
That would be smart.
and then it knows when it's past sunset, so then it
Doo-doo-doo.
switches to
It knows your time zone.
like when Google Maps switches over to like night Google Maps.
That's a thing?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, wait, no, I don't know. What? Google Maps? The satellite one? Or the maps?
Isn't
Google
there a Google Maps that switches
Yeah,
to the
okay.
night version?
I've never seen that.
Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
I mean, I believe that someone does it.
Is it Lyft or Uber? It's one of those. Anyway.
Can you translate by negative bird size?
I can do whatever you want, Avery. Well, clearly that worked.
If there's one thing that we have to look up, it might be this thing.
No. Okay, we should swap it. Let's go to here. Bam.
Oh.
Yeah.
Isn't that the right? Is that the right position?
Sure.
Yeah, it seems right. Roughly.
Why are you rotating by negative bird size?
Or translating by negative bird size.
Oh, is bird size too much?
Can you draw?
Oh, here. What if I don't translate here by? There we go.
Yeah.
Bam.
That's
Oh yeah. Boop. Boop, 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 boop.
The chat
Thank
thinks
you.
you're right.
I'm not a crazy person.
Let's do it. Really? Oh wow. Okay. Never mind then. You're right.
I'm always right.
Make rotate lerp.
Oh yeah. Lerp. Utils.
Yeah,
Dot lerp.
lerp. I think we want lerp. We might not. Might want. Oh, good night. Good night to Argentina.
Oh gee.
Buenas noches.
Thanks for
Bonne nuit.
sticking around.
I don't know why I said that. Good night. Yeah. See you on Discord.
You don't need M.
I don't need N.
You probably want. So what you want to do is take a value that varies between two things, and then map it to another thing that varies between two things.
What
And so we
value are we
probably
using?
want utils.remap.
We're using the velocity.
Yeah, the y velocity.
Remap.
We'll join if you do any more streams. It was great.
Awesome.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Probably more to come.
Yeah.
So it's fun. Oh, he says. Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice.
So it should have some named variables. This basically takes a value that is in a certain range and maps it over to being in a different range. And so what we want to do is take the bird.
Wait, what happens if we
Y
just use
velocity?
bird v? Is it like?
Please keep it that way. That's amazing.
I
Wait,
see.
and whoa, that's weird.
What?
Does it speed up?
It's like does an extra. Look.
Oh yeah, it
like,
does like a double spin sometimes.
Is it because of
Oh,
gravity?
it's because he's pressing the button.
No.
Yeah,
I don't
know. It's an interesting one though. Easter egg mode.
Right mode. Okay, so low. It has a low.
Yeah.
So velocity is like a negative or a positive number.
Yeah. Negative is up.
Negative. The negativist.
So low.
The
is high.
negativist is like 200. Right.
You really hate name drags.
Yeah.
Spinny bird.
Spinny bird. No, I mean I can name the args if you want. If you If you want it. Value.
It's like a low one, high one,
Yeah.
low two, high two. Yeah.
Low
Plenty
one,
of
high one.
whirly bird, we could call it. Spinny bird.
Drunk bird.
Drunk. I mean,
Disney
maybe.
going to throw up bird.
High is probably 200, whatever.
Uh-huh.
And then low is the target. Low 2 is what we want it to
Yeah,
be.
yeah.
So we probably want it to be between that angle, which is a no, that's a positive one. It's this way,
This
right?
is 0.
Uh-huh.
This is 0, so flat, and then we want like let's say 60 degrees this way, and then pi minus 60 degrees. So the low would be 60 degrees.
Pi minus 60 degrees.
Pi details dot
Flippy bird.
const
Flippy bird.
Flippy Bird.
Flippy bird.
Pi
Just do
Let's
a
do
number.
pi.
Just do a number.
pi 2 equals constants dot
Negative pi.
2 pi.
Just do negative pi.
No, we're not doing it. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh, that's the thing again. Psi.
Pretty annoying.
Low one. Yeah, Jordan, if you're watching, we need to fix that. Okay. Ooh, whoop,
So,
whoop, ba, 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 ba.
I don't know where
Boing,
I'm going.
boing, boing, boing.
Wait, did you make it easier so that you could actually like, get more than one? Is that why?
No, there's some weird thing going on with how slow my computer's running at this point. And so that's why it's so
Okay,
slow.
so clearly those constants are wrong.
I think they're pretty right. Let's see.
So it could be that the low and high are also wrong.
Really?
Low one, high one.
Oh, yeah, high. Well, low is this guy. That's
So
the
that one's right. Okay,
probably
so that's good.
ish. That's not true actually. It could be.
It can't be more than that.
It can. It's oh no, you're right. It can't be more than that. And then high is going to be
Yeah, that's fine.
gravity,
Yeah. Okay.
like 400, 500.
I guess you could make it 400.
Let's make it 400.
I mean, not that it really. You want your low 2 to be smaller,
It's interesting that he just resets.
I think.
Yeah.
Resets to what?
No, he kind of.
Oh.
So, like, fully.
No, he.
No,
Oh, he
like
does.
he resets when you hit the.
It
Yeah.
will completely reset because
That's
that's
true.
what's happening.
There's no animation going into
Um,
it. Low
Can you make
2.
it like 1?
Super happy.
Can I make it 0?
Okay, so that's good, right? Does he rotate upwards?
Good night.
Don't stay out too late.
Okay.
0 is down.
Shit. It's -1. Oh my lord.
Was it 0 before? It
What
was
was it?
0 before, right?
Okay.
He's like rotating upwards. Am I right?
Downwards, you
This
mean?
is so hard to understand.
He's rotating downwards. Look. Jump is fine. He's
I think I'm trying to just link the issue we're complaining about.
2 pi. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we almost opened this again the other day, but fix it.
What if I just put 1? Okay. Hey, check this out.
Oh, that's much better. Okay, perfect. We did it. It's done.
It's basically pretty good, right?
Yeah. What do you guys think?
What if we took this and then multiply by 2? Dun, 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 dun,
Why
dun,
did
dun.
you do that?
So it goes faster,
What?
right? Does it not?
I don't. It's a linear mapping. It's just going to be further to one side.
Shoot. Can I make him animate faster? No, because it's all
No,
linked
it's
to
just
gravity.
Completely linked to the gravity.
Okay.
What you can do is make it so that he doesn't hop up, but I think it's fine. I think it's good. I think we gave the idea.
Yeah. Yeah, we accept PRs.
Should we push this as a branch
Live stream. Yeah.
on?
Wait, are we done?
I think we're done.
Wow, you guys. How long was this? How long has it been going on?
It's 10:30.
No, but oh shoot, we don't have the length. It's been going on for
3 hours.
3 hours. Bam,
Yeah.
3 hours. Oh,
Yeah, we should
computer,
do this
computer. Come back. Here, let me kill this.
All right.
Let me see. Save. Flappy Bird in 260. It's even shorter than last time. 260 lines. Yeah. By 20 lines.
Nice. By Jove, you've done it. Should we push it as a branch on Reasonml example or whatever?
Yeah.
In case
Let's do
anybody
it.
wants to fiddle with it.
Yeah. Here, let me fix the warning here. Translate X. It's such a hard time hitting that key. Ugh. Oh shit. I mean, darn.
You can just nod.
Yeah. This one I'll let Warren. Here, want to see something really cool? Let's build it for JavaScript.
That's true. Yeah, we should do that.
Okay. We haven't done this. We haven't checked if it works on web for 3 hours. And we're launching it for the first time here. And I need to disable cross-origin restriction.
You can also just run a server.
Bam! You guys, we have Flappy Bird on the web that was built using bytecode, hot reloading.
Jason just suggested bird size times -1.
Oh, smart. I love it.
Genius.
Yeah.
Yeah, Antonio, the hot reloading does preserve state because reprocessing just handles your state for you, so it remembers what it was last time. If you change the type of state, it'll segfault, and then you can just restart it. It's a feature.
It's a feature? Yes, it's a feature. It's on purpose. Yeah, the reason. Yeah, we don't have to go into details, but there are reasons why it's kind of like it's a hack, but
it's a real convenient hack.
Yeah,
You can help clean it up a little bit.
it's just yeah.
It's enough to be really useful right now. Basically.
Yeah.
So we thought people would appreciate it. It's pretty cute.
Oh, it's amazing. Can you imagine? You just go and make a game like this, and then you can share it with the world, and then you can make a demo one where like there's just one level, and then you can buy it on the App Store.
Oh, and then
it's the full.
The demo of your game just runs in the web.
Yeah.
And then there's a real full game.
Yeah.
Runs on your machine.
Yeah.
Pretty sick. All right. Thanks so much for hanging out, guys.
Yeah.
We're gonna push this as a branch called something. Flappy demo. Flappy stream. Flappy Bird stream.
Flappy Bird stream.
You're not pushing through master.
Aaron says hi. Duh. Okay. Oops. Get check out branch. Live stream.
Live stream Flappy Bird. Just in case, Just in case we do another one.
Bam.
If people want a different game, we can just make a different game.
Yeah. We can make one game a day if we wanted to. Oh, yeah. I don't know if I want to, but
Be happy if that was the only feature. Hot reloading. Hot reloading was the only feature. Yeah. I mean, it's not like it's using pretty standard OCaml stuff. You can look at how we do it, and if you want to hot reload something, then
yeah, you can.
It's a little hacky, but you can make it work. Especially if it's for some purpose-built thing.
We shouldn't show how it works.
No.
You can go look if you're interested.
And we're happy to answer any questions about
Yeah.
how to make that work in your code for purpose-built things. In general.
Yeah. Like you can make your dev web server hot reloadable. You can make anything that you compile hot reloadable.
Yeah, depending on like state management and stuff you got to figure out. And whatever. But
Right.
if it's too complicated to compile, blah blah blah. But yeah, you can definitely do stuff. Awesome. Well, you pushed.
Yeah, I did. So all the
I
code
did
is
that.
on that branch on this repository called reprocessing example.
Yeah. And so if you want to try to build something in reprocessing, probably the easiest thing to do is just go clone this repo, either the branch we did today or the default branch, master branch. And then that has like some really tiny little example project and a BS config and a package JSON that includes all the right stuff. And you can just try it out. So yeah, there's Flappy Bird in there.
Yep. Cool. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.